yaba bedi nkoma wodo na aboana niam de da ye pra etimi ediama nkoma de bi ni se yebekwa amanone ni nyina so ro ani HM amanone a the 5 major leagues no eni ntutu na de dana kwama teams wodo na a resume omo bana preseason no omo ba be sha se yebekọ na Paris Saint-Germain Barcelona eno na nchen Tottenham na afi teams wodo na yedidi nkoma na aboana ne makuyi so etimi ediama the transfer window yebekọ so Cristiano Ronaldo eni okọ anazo betrana wabo amanema koyere ama Manchester United latest no Luther King transfer die be rewram ni ahwese de nema esieti anopare ye hye dwuma de na se de remo edema said the British Grand Prix no eguso a ekoso ni na be na ye Wimbledon ye be na tennis 177 no etimi ewram etimi era ma fi se na be na ya ba be din komo anopane ye de remo edema se nema deda din ema the Ghana Football Awards no etimi ekoso former sports minister honorable Nilante van der Poel akansem kakra ere afan ni na be na ya pomote na etimi didi din komo na afia da news no so no ebetimi ewram etimi era Mantina ni antra kozize dumi ni bebo na pije mo na de akebia ewremetimi edi amana nei open sem no di mu ede enchemu emu da ho di akono being it boxing tennis Formula 1 ne di akeka kanina ye de be ewremetimi edi abombra Jeffrey Asari of course the apostle ebe reramo and after Michael Asari Bodu obeti ono sonka Michael Akomia the Messiah obeti ono sonka and Bishop Prof Papa Poku obeti so ono so eriramu na aboa na niam akoye perama midino Abu Diaby na emeze ha no enye metena bi ni na zede bi aye kan Mr X ni Mr emeze ne madam Mr Y di ye be na ye di nko be onye enye metena bi ni bat enya ye yiti na woze me bana me ba be ye ya na me hwesere niam esi ekoti mame kona the apostle atrans ni nkomo akransa na yakona de akebia ewrametimi ere ama apostle akwaba
Mejoso Abu Bokodie.
Me onyame adom me woye. Me giri so ozum pom Bokodie.
Yesu adom ne mpaibo. Bibia boko.
Abeze kofo afro pa.
Oh yeah, don't masi. Ejabu edana eja.
Sompa 93.1.
Me share ye jumedie made in edition of Sompa Sports ase. Yeda omo asese omo atwen ye. Omo nim nipa wo ye mu. Nti na omo atwen nti do masi. Bukan bibi. Yes. Onze before Yesu beba na John the Baptist ebe bi kwa. Na Mr X na ye kan no Mr X no de no krane ye we bibia. Na account to ba ko mienu bi free no enti emre kakra enche. Mr X to ba tinya konya. Na ne awo ye no so wo prapra kwan mu ama Mr X.
Fantastic.
O de asent wo ye John the Baptist.
Eki Mr Y.
Ahanti wo prapra kwan no wa hihye ne meyi. Na afi de akonya wura beta abegina konya. Na bibia de enti Mr X nya my idea. Ye take it off. Na ya hihye ne meyi na ye promise ye tie for no mo share say we'll give them nothing but the best in sports.
Yeah.
They can't have it anywhere but here.
Tiano ye apostle no na neoti the maiden edition. Join here. On joining abetimi Eramo Sompa TV on Facebook or search on Satoswa. Wa like it, wa share, wa comment it. Na abwa na nema dida ye pa. Etimi era mamanko Luther King. Kena transi na yerum. Na ye heard certain some no is yet here. His answer man on near day. Why day? Nya de kitu akra. Na ye heard certain ye meziko. Luther, ya cheche biem.
Yes, yeah. Yes, yeah.
Say she ye dear.
Mr. Y. Is she?
Is that Mr. Elam? I didn't name it trabe. And apostle achichi muno. Eti Eddie and Mr. S beba. On my no. Mr. Y. For now, the Mr.
Yes, in Tiffany wa page for.
Sa. Di the na yeti. A confirm joining or joining us Sompa TV on Facebook. Oba like it, wa share, wa comment. Receive no. Yebe kan comment ni bina abwana nema dida iti latest on the ebeba na arira na abwana nema etimi akọ na bibia so no etimi adida iti edin
asem ho
edin
if set to confusion
oh nyahwe down there sa enti enchena nyehu alope no shase but ya me wo ntimi bia be kama Luther say teams no omo shase
oh nice one say preseason no be asase e bi asase na wo hwe bi atimi se eni da so ho e bi so de ase tan o moto ase o mo pedodo no but ni nyina de latest na ba
mate bare ho kese bi ofia receive no me yina pie kakra na nkofo se niama sitie ni we ne ayini we ya ba wo ni boabo but ma Bishop.
Kwaku.
Akoba.
Yenya.
Na bibia ba ze de we say ye de. Say why yes ubia.
My rustic akra.
About confirm.
Yeah, I mean.
Confirm. Baze bibia she ye de.
Buenos dias, Kumasi. Buenos dias, cara. Me llamo Atapoku. Bienvenido a Deportiva Sompa. We are in. It's good.
Wa chichimu am unze first on titi meba o kana machim but emze we no afama ni so kakra we la afama ni so kakra
emo bi akwaba ba Sompa TV so sports show
fantastic
they brown Sompa TV and radio so the obiase I mean the calls the messages and everything. It's been good. There is nothing new under the sun, but we will try and innovate something for them when you're ready.
Mate.
So it's going to be good.
Mate. Oh,
absolutely.
Na ya hu said in Mexico.
Yes. Abudiavi.
Zana bibiashi.
Nyame adom. My any experience.
Okay.
Tiaba.
Comfort so feel pa.
Oh yes.
Comfort on catch.
Ya do bibiase. The biamekasa same way say time and patience. We always prove what was right and what is wrong. Definitely omanya abutre atwen ye. Yaba yete ha. Yebe biuso. Yebe ye adwuma. Ahoden mu. Nyame so beta yechi. Yaba.
Fantastic. At your monka Apostle Bishop and a Messiah ba kona encho metenka ti Luther so transit ti said na me kano still Mr X beba ba me no me betram ti me ye Mr Y
oh did
me Mr Y
on the for
ti aja hala beti anya betrabe
we na nyantokwa ye popo se no menko kasama sabi unya kompo
Sompa 93.1
Otihana ex rap
oh say me am say
but ni jizem penifo do atina penifo akonya
oh and me ma wawa o say your stories be kan on yi me kai la issue oni ba na ma menka o kai say emre bi ache pa oba ahinkro ni duane ebo da o mo calf matches ni bi na young guy be bound chance and person to trap picture bana police for no one in person and be inside dressing room and na me on kai ze na me ba kai asem no ba me patcho na me is amfuni no e wo da come yi acho
enfoni be na akoya
sa amfuni no
na me ka ba ko na o sam
na Apostle so be kai be days with our girlfriend will become na oba say that is that me executive producer then ha no asase we so no okoma chi bia ba Apostle ba o kaiser we no me fro phone so say e beze no nkasa Denis Asamoah yeah Ati so yetima yerena ya bomodina niama deda dipeti be about full time dwumade no na yerura musa no ti emresim no beti se yerena enkomodidi outdoor na so no etimi ato aso producer no Nasiru ono na keka niama de abo ani eram ti America Luther King atrase na yerura ma manone na manone nsem no ento aso enfama Luther umreni do hin ne enko
right Mr. Y medase ebrana se awie dru ye be breaking it down na ya touching it down na ya knocking it down na nya da jejeja mu yompo latest no ebreni ne okina ko ni etwe be Sompa TV ko Facebook Sompa 93.1 like na share o comment na fato na fabra be jabre be kenkan jama yen hyansem na se emfree calf aso ye obaka ya nura calf mpanyimfo kwa asetena kwatwe ntonto omsi nkonwa no mde betu dwa so e wo som de nsachira ne bi etimi ba ni nyina ne se almost eba a Super League on bebon wa bibrem ha nyame pa afia ewo mu ya 2022 August and on bepa a Super League no entuma na omopa ho August no ehontuma wi a nyame pa next August 2023 and African Super League no ebetimi abaso no almost African Super League ni timba so a prize money on beto so no $100 million eska omode ebeto so no china ka fo mpanyim 14 as no per reporter a free a Cote d'Ivoire urban say eba AFCON AFCON 2023 anka omo be bono June July no there's almost see because of rainy weather condition bia ewo ho no ntino em favor tournament no panifo se omo tenase na omo se em favor tournament dia omo asese omo adwene panifo so ba kwasea na ensesa na adwene tikafo panifo se omo asese omo adwene de AFCON 2023 no akose January 2024 na ebetimi abaso enochi enom se eba CAF Champions League se omo se ye no se home na away na omo ebebo no eno de free CAF oba no omo wie kwa nom so okay afi CAF Super Cup no between CAF Champions League champions and CAF Confederation CAF champions RS Berkane and we dad for no des ombebo no Morocco eno de ba ye jamu de amatie for enano pai ewo dwumade so na eno achi no me ba cho ma minwam ewo Grand Prix course British Grand Prix no eno pa cho Formula 1 F1 anopa me de ho update no nsam bebre e de ba na me ba cho eno ade na ba so nyame no kura ni nie se eno nyame ansi form anke ante asempa I just say dwumade no sha se first 15 seconds first lap no wa na atorenchem bi etimi esie na atorenchem me ba cho esie ni nyina no say esa brand a ye frɛ no George Russell ono driver ono ne car no na che se se ebu afaso ne kɔbɔ abrante frɛ no Alex diem na Alex no so car no ɛkɔbɔ abrante frɛ no Zungwanyu ediem ma me ba cho Zungwanyu de no esama soto ye na me ba cho ade ne kɔso na abrante ye frɛ no George Russell ono ne car na ɛkɔpem Alex de no yehu se wasi afri ne car no na che se ono ɛkɔakɔhwɛ abrante frɛ no Zungwanyu ɛne abrante a ye frɛ no Alex omotima pra so omotima pra ba cho kɔ ko Sompa TV and Sompa Facebook live no Sompa 93.1 na ko na mpacho kokɔhwɛ videos no ye di egu amwo de ekoso abra na se bibia ekokoso wo Formula 1 British Grand Prix me pacho etotwa enra no ɛho nsɛm no bi ene ye de ebro no na good news no say after no man nyina akɔye no Abrante Zungwanyu ɔkɔ medical center mo kɔ check up me bia no ɔmo so ɔyɛ fit na mo mara wosɛm no say ɔne Abrante George Russell Alex ɔmo nyina no ɔmo antimi antoa so antimi anko race ni ebiem eno de ba ye jamu de amatie for national senra footballers bi etimi kokɔ piepia ase a omo ekɔbɔ mani akɔ ma support ma dwumadie no etimi kɔ kama Abrante osi akan Edma Liverpool ye friend Trent Alexander-Arnold ɔne Abrante Sam Hypia etimi ekɔkɔ hyai na mra dwumadie no ekɔso na Trent Alexander-Arnold ehu Abrante a ye friend Sam Hypia no on se ɔkyea no say yes ɔpanyin nie senior ɔbɔ dwuma wo Liverpool ya ba betu din yade se so pese ɔbɔ dwuma ema no matimi konkan edima ye sɛ de be ya edina mbɛbɔ emu jato ne so betima hwɛ ama bia tima konkan eno update bi a eno a every British Grand Prix no Formula 1 F1 no aso eba ye jejamu edema for na Abrante Trent Alexander-Arnold o free asia kono eno se ena ho asa Abrante fe no Zungwanyu no enya de asa Abrante no ne ho eka ya chese ne anwa dom no ato ne mo speedy recovery ese no ma ebetim akoye eso ede ama no eno edeba ye jamu na no pai ewo Sompa 93.1 radio and Sompa TV edi amatie for enano pai eso ewo dwumadie so na mpacho gusu aye breaking normal down edi amatie for me pacho yenwuram na yenhwe sa no ma we as a pre-season major European leagues no o hwe La Liga o hwe Premier League no o French League ene de keka ho a ebe hwe ase na yade se clubs no so pre-season ase na me pacho mo fa mia so mo kan hyem na atie for wo hwe eye Sompa TV or na o Facebook no eso entumi hwe de kopiem o AC Milan omo pre-season na no pa ya AC Milan de no atimi asase na ohwe de aircon ne de eba nyame no kranum na efe na akɔ no se adano players na omo do omo cast eba na edruba bi supporters na bo nchenku na AC Milan empanyifo de to ya ese omo expect supporters be 5,000 ewo baby omo ye training na omo show omo pre-season na say nice one de call Sompa TV anase okopiem eso ewo Sompa Facebook live 93.1 no ma nyina be koye de mabo de yeke ese supporters na ekopiem omo ebo agi AC Milan team na baso eso omo behwa ma pre-season no bibia tima ye kama eso eja momo opanyina woda AC Milan bobo ko no opanyina Ivan Gazidis eso etimi ba ho abroad ne ka we piem no so behwa ma pre-season no bibia so etima ye kama na omo wie pre-season na wie ye opanyina ye friend Stefano Pioli eso ebetimi ne central for share edi nkomo edi de ekoso mani so edi hunu ne hyehye omo ye nyina no ebeto en central for nim eno edi ba ye jamu edama tie for enano pay odwumadi so na opiem a Manchester United Abrante mrebe atwam odi Arsenal for ato na say odi Arsenal for mfel abra na okosku okwa chemistry okwa lab akwa ne practical busan say so yeah a practical no say o shas na de na edene abrante Marcus titration Rashford so o shas na F papa o yeah a practicals na o mix normal chemicals now enum edin pa eno de nsempia to dwa Marcus titration Rashford o se kan kire wi asan wan say nyina say no kwani nyamenum from 2019 eba pre-season o sheda enye ready ni nyina so be so be so premier say na pre-season na won say ne nine ho aka and then the health issues no questions our home and no one say china say Benjamin Adom afidie positively or you fit or ready or focus for every pre-season ever be share so Manchester United boboku no and no edeba ye jamu yompo ediama tie for e wo dwumade so me patcho e romo PSG na ye dwuma bi daba me patcho pm PSG a reporter me patcho e ban so pre-season no ayade say and the players na chance a omo e reporto players na chance a omo e ba ma bibia eso etimi ayekama na pm PSG Abrante Marco Verratti me patcho nice one on the TV no so screen no oko e Sompa TV oko Facebook la Sompa 93.1 na obo se no ma ewura ma bia so e ko kama na nyina na Abrante Marco Verratti ono attach down acha se oko akoye pre-season oko share recovery ase aba bia e kama Abrante Julian Draxler eso ekokopie mu bi enano pai na Abrante fan Gini Wijnaldum eso etim epie mu bia omu nyina na se okupie mu PSG a omo so de ba na adwosam ene sa Abrante Messi na kuntunkini ono no ene wontimi ni A+ ni teammate no en share recovery na se adaya ni nyina no se Abrante no ono abekọ ne gym na se wetimi akwa gym work kakra ansa na nyampa on the 11th of this month owura fa na kuntunkini Messi etimi adjoin team a ye friend APSG ni teammate no eno mo aye pre-season no eno e de froba ye jamu yompo de amatie for e wo dwumade so na mpa choma me break way down say uko AS Roma obeka Jose Mourinho ada Roma eye Conference League no mo na je na omo a surprise omo all this season take it holder 96 year old Giorgio ada ofie on away omo antone nkra eno omo de eye Conference League trophy no etimi koya ukopie ma na say F papa ohwa na say delegation no etimi ekoye ohwa no tese omo bo epronum kokoko yes I am for omo emra omo pie ma na say AC Milan mpacho AS Roma rather empanyufo and say etimi de South Conference League trophy no eso etimi pie ma omo de eba be kire opanyina mpacho oye the oldest season take it holder edma AS Roma boboku no wadi 96 years eno edeba ehon ensam ene da TV no so a ye wura chese eba ama so hu de ekọ ene de eba nyina me pie mo Real Madrid no ma ye adwuma we de ma ye tie for na no pai Abrante a ye fe ne Luka Modric nyam no kra nim ebi nka no kra aba obi tan wa o so wa sa no wa cha ne pa o so kasa no obo na twe adai wo se Champions League a omo giye ebi si Real Madrid omo eye lucky eno mutime je sa Champions League adai a Luka Modric say eba okopie mo England a omo champions omo yi omo free mo oko France a omo champions omo yi omo free mo na omo timi akwaje Champions League na se onu Luka Modric no munya biem so nkrofo keka eso o Real Madrid no omo ye Zuku na omo Zube na omo ye Tam Kwekwe omo nya na mom ade se lack bi ene ba o ma so ye mom timi enya Champions League no esu etimi ejeye enu ade froba na me ko Chelsea o mu training ground so koba na ma ye adwuma bi me ba cho mo fanto so na tiefo a wo hwe na no pay wo Sompa TV ono Facebook Sompa 93.1 entimi enhwe ni nyina no se crossbar challenge bi akoso Chelsea o mu training grounds crossbar challenge na crossbar challenge players no o mu de ball no to ha no ma ball o ye pedo betima ball e de akobo crossbar na Brentford Hakim Ziyech o de to panyan no de ball no akọ no de akobo crossbar Hakim Ziyech panyan no de ball na no de akobo crossbar ama crossbar challenger of course for Chelsea aso na Brentford Hakim Ziyech ono ana so far omo bona ba so ese yem fa bon 20 yem mo ento ba bi pese de kono ono ana ese edimu mempa eno edeba me ko Manchester United ma ya adwuma we abra senior players ni bi report amete Manchester United and say senior players ni bi so omo mpese CR7 Osonto Motoro Misunkuma Lewa Ronaldo obe joining Manchester United omo international tour na omo ebekono eno edeba na me ko Eduardo Camavinga mumfa na asane ntoso ma me efa papa menim sa player no onim bugi sa wonim degen sa Abrante Eduardo Camavinga holidays na kopie mo bicha me pa cho all prepare no encho be resume for pre-season ejama Real Madrid na Abrante Eduardo Camavinga the mate ne say o hwe ni pre-season asapa enu odi asa san wo him no mu no okon wo ba eno edeba eno so ye jam de amatie for ma breakaway amatie for say abrante friend Francese so join Barcelona team no bibia edewanim report am 6.5 million euros eska obeje onye signing bonus bia eno akire jersey number 19 eno obehye me ko Arsenal Gabriel Jesus ono so anopa ya Arsenal Fatima Veli no mapa no ntoma jersey number 9 ena omode elma no jersey number 9 no was wada Manchester City for ase do omo ye ma no abrante Gabriel Jesus omo team Man City no kondo na wiase nyina gina tum no Arsenal so ba no bebo adwuma bia so atima ho kama edama Arsenal boboku no ukopiem abrante friend Kevin Phillips so Manchester City officially omotimi the announcement aba esa abrante Kevin Phillips omotimi wia oba be see kan abebo adwuma yompo edama Manchester City boboku no eno eso ede ba ye di matif ukopiem me pa cho Ronaldo msunkuma lewa osonto motoro bodma Manchester United boboku no nanka o send eno report o quarantine no be share preseason ase report eba no say waka Manchester United mpanyimfo say because of family reasons inti want me a report on there mpanyimfo so ajetum ese o ma accept the request what they eba you know no e ba ye de amate for den some ni see amabedwafo atena se Roma dom suko abun kontane de akode ba me pacho ukpem team a ye frɛ no e ba mu nchina ene omso preseason no omso atimi ashase kama omo a report me bibia eso aye kama abra Barcelona no pa ye de betu anim ese omso preseason omo report me bia ye kama na demete eno se aroso Barcelona de num se abrante na ye fa niko no de taxi ene call me pacho preseason the taxi ebi ansumani Fatima edo omo cars ne nkrofo cheka pike mu kono o de taxi ene call ina so na nsem kakra bobo anu na no pay wa mono ne nsem no yemfa ensia
aseda ode Luther King na tisi ni Rama de amanonesem no abomode ato aso kama pretty me da che eberam na ya bomode ne edidi nkoma odo na nchichimu no etimi ato aso kama pera manti also hu they also no na Luther King de eram kama pretty me da manti ebe na ya didi nkoma odo na ya bomode na ye de eram etimi da na sere ye kan manti ye no season aba na wiere ba still wakunya zo bebomode na witwa na wadi ne kese na abo amane makoyie petimi ye diama na hye no ahyehye yi time pacho eye betway Ghana amo na wakunya se ni odi ohombobo mo na yabo amane ma deda ye pa etimi ye diama adwuma no mudi no shonko and of course ucha sikano ketu abubedi bebre diazi ne ya major leagues no akwedi apem no so wakunya zo bebo modena football no ye amama bi o mo ne de amon dizi dogo bi no abe we na we adi amon wakunya so be kono akakutwa nya no kwa ene eba ne tennis ye kosi no basketball and afi so kra no ne e-sport horse racing ne de akaka ni nyina no o wakunya se betway Ghana obo modena watwa enka na na ye kokosa light tintin na ya call good adumi so me pacho ne ufie kra obetimi abomode na betway app no wa download bi ntu dia na se o de o be search www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh me pacho ni fie du watwa emfa hun reasons again we emankofu ni misisa ya ye na Ronaldo to score emfa na wani masisa ti undi 18 years emfa hun enramu me pacho emu edi ye pa fa obo mu di ya pe de hia na so mo sabe kan number no be bo na so no wenya alert na kama pa na hihye na ko ye pa etimi ede ama me ze kofo ni mu pa di ma me na me mbra me kware ba pe na fi ram na de akibia ato aso kama pa na pinsi mu no eramu etimi ede ama.
They'll play a high press to force the mistakes. They'll dominate the aerial ball. They're too tall.
We'll handle the pressure and smash them on the break.
The number 9 has scored in their last 5 games.
The passing will be quick, decisive, precisely.
There will be drama in the dying minutes.
This match will mean more than 3 points.
They will have the home ground advantage. This is why I bet.
This is why I bet.
This is why I bet. Betway.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly, not for persons below 18 years.
Ati no na wahaya ne kama pa na aye yama nema adedani apostle
Abu
akoba biem
ameju suminia
menim baby a odi era but me lady we dey na me so ya na waka no asema ma me kakra
lady ben
Emara Dukano
Makan was him. And you know, SMP. My banner so, but me starting from chair, a charity for ni now. Now, I no pay me start with tennis.
Okay.
And now I say Jumedi Kesia because so I was center court. Now tennis no center court there were various court, but the reason why center court yes from say center court the major court from 1922 I almost started using center court now. I was Wimbledon the oldest competition when it comes to the Grand Slams from Australian Open, the Roland Garros the French Open, the Wimbledon and US Open. Wimbledon the oldest 1877 but center court and I was Wimbledon was special traditions. One of the traditions one say on some memano share obia mani mema nyina mo button is white.
Yeah.
Yes, and they had ata. You know the royal box because Prince Edward the president of the All England Club and you know say me no ni ata any Michael ni akumi yen qualify ho. I honor sika for the royal family rich people and I'm called the royal box. Then strawberry ni cream so na every.
Okay.
One of the major ones near CN center court. We are defending champion of Wimbledon. We first game biano. I say the center court. A special privilege. I the mad defending champion. To Benya center court. The Omama Kano Obeko court 1. And I say the other 17 court are spread. Now and ready 100 years. And the Omo no abe nya kwenya enoma jidin wa tennis mo omo ebi retired bi bobino. And I'm invite you Omenra. Say Omumra. And I invite ni just any ordinary people who share. And now say unya about your friend Jill Billy King, American here. I mean, Jill been 6 times. And 6 times it means that we back court, center court, you know, abe bought tennis for 6 times at defense. So she's been invited to come. You also have a situation about Beyond Bodge. I mean, one of the early tennis players at Wimbledon, Otimiji 76, 77, 78, 79. I mean, Etwa, Beyond Bodge, 11-time Grand Slam winner. Finals, back tennis, and Mema Yesi, he bought tennis with excellent forehand and then quick return on serve is one of the best. Now, Rod Laver, they bought the Laver Cup. Yeah. Yes, one of the most successful, one of the 4-time winner in the 60s. Brilliant player when it comes to baseline aggressive play, penetrating ground strokes on the chassis. If I started penetrating, and modern tennis, the only player Novak Djokovic. Yeah. And also Ababa you have Venus Williams. Oh yes, she's a 5-time Wimbledon winner, 7-time All Slams winner. Yes, so also Roger Federer, of course. I say Pisampra Samba, but it had to do with ABI invitation now because Pisampra 7-time winner, Roger Federer penalty in the men's Wimbledon titles, number of titles, Roger 8 on was 7. Pisampra is one of the finest grass players here. But in all, Maria Bartoli, even though we need back against Sabina Lecce, but at least she was present there to grace the occasion. Novak Djokovic, because Novak Djokovic was a 6-time Wimbledon winner from 2011. I mean, 2011 that he started. Now he's 1-6. The last only defending champion against Matteo Berrettini, formerly Covenant, Matteo Berrettini at Ekofi Wantimi, and continue with the tennis. Roger Federer, 2003. After Pisampras and Eshas here, I mean, after Andrea Gassi, Goran Ivanisevic in 1992, Pisampras, Jimmy Courier, so Pisampras 93, again Jimmy Courier 194, Pisampras, Goran Ivanisevic 95, Pisampras, Coach Boris Becker. Boris Becker at the age of 17, 1985, tried Jim Kerrin to win the competition. So Pisampras, apart from Richard Krajcek by 1996, Pisampras about 97. So consistently, winning 98 again, Goran again 99, Andrea Gassi, and then 2000 again, Patrick Rafter. Roger Federer, Super Shas, yes, 203, Mark Philippoussi. One of the brilliant ground stroke players. And then Oba and the Roddick on your lucky crowd because time now all year at the end was when Roger Federer stepped in to take over from Pisampras. So and then 203, 204, 205 were Dimia, Nadal Zube Dimia, 207. Then 208, that epic 5-set thriller, 3-2 against Roger Federer. So all these great tennis players, just to make sure, say, Gracie, occasion on my and it was a very beautiful spectacle. And very nice. I brought former idea my wow show. Penny former GD Margaret Court.
Yeah.
Serena Williams. But Billie Jean. So Margaret Court unfortunately she won 3 Wimbledon, Billie Jean 6. And see Emma Jumediano come up. Mamo Hana Jane. It's a very beautiful. Rafa Nadal, another wonderful player. I mean, since 2008 of Roger Federer, was the center court. In fact, that epic trail I don't take play at the center court. Since then, it's been phenomenal. 22 Grand Slam. So come on now. Okay, Emma Raducanu.
Yeah,
Emma Raducanu, a young, brilliant girl. This is a girl. Very good, very athletic, great anticipation, good movement. She's very good when it comes to the reaction, very defensive player, transiting defense into offense brilliantly. Good returner herself. The problem I want to say, one, the serve, the toss of the ball is problematic. And sometimes also a background stroker, she needs to be more quicker on taking risk. But apart from that, overall, again, Lena Fernandez, the US Open last year, she's brilliant. Or Meji. But after that, Mimi saw a break a crap. A major problem like Naomi Osaka has suffered. Say a young lady, she's 19 years. After US Open, on court tournament be more than beyond the second round because of the poor form and injury kakra. Challenge is a time I now call US Open. Now Sebiu, the parents no more share that and BBS.
Okay.
Or call by endorsement. Now she has endorsement worth about $15 million as we speak now. Edu Samrena here a top trainer. Andrew Richardson or prepare no boa no more US Open. One problem with this Ngolanzo a bus nesika ba mamini papa mu entimin tiyomobium or pamono and for no reason the same thing Sasha Bajin now Osaka Emma Sasha Bajin a boa no since Sasha Bajin ko be she's been struggling. I mean Grand Slam after Grand Slam. Now any problem no say expectation breathing number 1 na Joanna Conta and number 1 British number 1 and I winning Grand Slam by number 1 over number 1 the expectation was wrong. The British number 1 got Grand Slam and now with Grand Slam no almost expect so chance so then obey the other tournament. Unfortunately psychologically, mentally and also the decision making amwa and I want to make that mommy for baby because you see I call 19 years somebody munesi from but Sikanu be my anedi. Naomi Osaka is the same thing. Last year Naomi Osaka 37 million pounds was the earnings from endorsement. 37 million pounds. Young girl on yes because she's 24 years. Difficult for parents and to hear trainer or tough. Also Patrick Morita Global Serena Williams life or discipline.
Yeah.
Here trainer or difficult or be stringent or be making sure so we discipline nearby so we are number 1 be ye or no cry also control channel my baba. And no sooner only more pamo. I thought that Andrew Richardson I saw on my ones what just trainers means Nina and Kui. So they say so she need to get a tough coach. Uncle Far Town belt here Angelique Keba trainer 5 months was up. What is here? You see, I said Scaba, a young girl. Parents know some mudio munesi for many sa or behano. I don't see her doing too well. Yes, because of that problem. If the or a tough coach be or be disciplinary control, be very difficult.
But I was on the old can I don't know. My study at the Great Britain. Okowa being a tennis player and some mother as a mupeja at the early stage, more deep. But I want to mean Jinason check.
Who's a honor freedom then to say how? Honor Kola or 2 million in my baby. Yahano, I come here betting be met me at Tiano, Papa Betiano, Yanka Betiano, brother Betiano, a cultural system non set up and a difficult from there. On a Kola, it would be 18 out to me and your pony scan open up at me. A difficult, a Tiano, a honor to say a Hanon be brave. And to say a locking on your mamma, Obis Anthony Joshua.
Yeah.
There is one Anthony Joshua very successful, and Necron Maminati. Who's our no Nigeria? Then in my Africa, my maid only here of Fremontier or Tian, but so any Mabasa. Anthony Joshua is made over 200 million pounds in his career.
Yeah.
What do you say? Only Alexander Usyk rematch here, Saudi Arabia, on the from 40 to 60 million pounds. They are still working on the pass. What they say? I'll be any, but only my minute.
No, I'm fine.
So
Joanna Conta.
Yes, Joanna
about this year. I say, die you cry.
So what trauma? We are number one. I'm already can. Let us lose. Who watching most of the great top athletes are? A lot of them will be guiding a penny be. Let us lose the mommy and the control. Me what I can yani uncle Roger.
Okay.
Ni papa Roger crash ni papa because discipline ni papa. I want to be can't send me didn't tell me to me call radio so about training can yeah because of control or training so yeah ni me want to me or tiao and no nama I say omunya sa etiano na be so omuye ni omo is a major problem so there's it quickly Iga Swate unfortunately Serena the tournament we will come and speak about Serena. Tennis will forever miss her. Tennis will forever miss Serena Williams. Yeah now bad tennis player beer to say Serena Williams be none we will not have it. We have Steffi Graf, but Serena comes with a different dynamic, different style. I mean, who be cry in women tennis. So, yeah, we are back. But I guess what is unfortunate. You see, sir, Otias, yes, sir. Yes, why are there 37 consecutive wins? It's historic. I mean, look, sir, Utimi bought 37 matches in tennis consecutively, no winning. No, Serena Williams 34, any Venus Williams 35. Now the record is in your name. A polished 21-year-old, intelligent young girl, very athletic, great movement. The footwork is brilliant. The first serve, very intelligent on court, and the mastery of tennis movement, especially on clay. The problem is that grass is slippery, and a grass no ball is skiddy. Depending on the nature of the grass, can very fast. Unlike clear, low and high in terms of the bounce. And all we need French Open and by Coco Golf. This is the second French, first one, 2020 winning against Sophia Kenin. Who expect say or bet to me at translating gradually into the grass court, but difficult. And yet Obiana to Rafael Nadal yard dear papa. And yeah easy for a clay court specialist to adapt to grass quickly. She's still young. I believe that or twice now nya coach or be more practice. This is a tournament crowd by one call into any of the pre-Grand Slam tournament other Nottingham, Stuttgart and I Hill one participating in any of them. So I think with time we'll see her. She is the girl I may say or bet taking over women tennis after Ashley Barty retire. No, she's the one I foresee. Sabe ma
ombre na kai but mesa ba na ka be mi sami but
and the fashion be na remember Formula 1 till the fa corner so say akatre but
me nti na o de na si me o de na si to the fa cheme nyambo a yesi hia na ya to aso ho ti oda
yes Abu
akwaba biem
mejo so minua
say sheye there
sheye pa
family room kakra na yenhwe the transfer news no bako ade me room ni beji pe on Cristiano Ronaldo see our latest in say we was United for ni sheda hu ne ma ye cha oso kwa na say mama ye family room na me hwe okwa na say we was the Ronaldo ye oba fefe ba ne kono ha dwen kakra
yes Abu mianche tiefo biem the kind of situation at Manchester United are finding themselves within it at the moment, you know. Emma Mekai back in 2010, Manchester United against Bursaspor after the Champions League. Sir Alex Chapman-Ferguson, a press conference about Wayne Rooney. Manchester United had already acquired Wayne Rooney for a little over £25 million. As at that time in the UK, Abranti Uswasa turned that particular kind of money. It means a lot and it is very heavy. Now, at the beginning of 2010, when Rooney Manchester United boss onko obetna. Na onyakro be sign lifetime contract at the club no. Na obetna se na hono retire at the free club lim. Ya ball World Cup 2010 we ya. Ana when Rooney ekohu David Gill. Ekache David Gill say team no wahwa aso hwe omo ntutu ye bi ni omo nneoma bi omo ya na ni nye ho opeso jai team no noko. And during that time I am share by because let's not forget the Webster ruling in terms of transfers in FIFA article 17 was working in terms of transfers. And within that particular frame of time, you know, when Rooney Nankasa betimi buying himself out of the contract. And of course, or buying himself out of the contract, that is going to be around £5 million. Obeja team in Wako. And a team in nada na January winter no. Team nankasa form because it only works in a full season, not in half seasons. It is team ni that na nanka drew winter no maton. Na pressure will run the ma Alex Ferguson. Ferguson used one word to describe the situation, a mystery to Manchester United. They don't understand. Fast forward. And the team nasa finding itself in a non-competitive manner. Where even in 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, the team was playing Champions League finals, winning league titles, even in domestic cups, they were there. And say no, the question will be able to say, baby Ronaldo Jinai, Manchester United, any man enko, and no man intina, because in Rooney situation, Nejina say, Yama Rooney enko, and Yama Rooney intina. Looking at the circumstances, the age of when Rooney as at that time, because now Rooney now hit 30. Then we come to the comparative analysis where we bring in Cristiano Ronaldo's age at 37. Baby Ronaldo Jina is saying yes, the kind. Also, a 2 years a club no any signings Papa Bian family. There was an agreement between Ronaldo and Manchester United, gentleman's agreement. Let me use it that way. So by the end of June, I was Manchester United assigning at least 2 players.
About the agreement was like
the agreement between Manchester United, gentleman's agreement. So between by the time of June be end, then Manchester United assigning 2 players.
That's this year.
That is this year. Summer transfer will be here.
Okay.
Because Ronaldo was first of all disappointed in the results and not team Enya during the season. Ronaldo saw an opportunity at Manchester United at Brano Obano because one or 2 years say only can associate team no able back to back UEFA Champions League. And Omoto also second with 74 points. So he felt say on the missing piece of the puzzle.
So at least Oba far.
Oba League and I say be a trophy be the almost a bit my day. But Oba and enough the whole team's performance in Inaba form. Now within the season, the issues a raise bar up a man here who season cry a basa. And about the captaincy issue or who has a word in the dressing room. Ronaldo was fortunate to have Rio Ferdinand in the dressing room. He was fortunate to have Paul Scholes in the dressing room. Players are more say you didn't obey the Rangix mo. When they tell you to keep calm, you have to keep calm. And it maybe Rio Ferdinand Rangix to Ronaldo to say catch and say Bema. Utimi do na fa boss so utimi da na ho utimi anoma bi say by ye too for e duru game bi asusu ye selfish prebo oni bi mo obi na sama go so mra wani so kakra bi ko obobo oni say ye fa onkoduru ba bia. Ronaldo kept quiet and he listened. That was a different era. Ronaldo have met a different era of Manchester United where one player power have taken center stage. Glazers no players on bema muska no mo kasana Glazers na edi no muti omo. Where in the club, Marcus Rashford moji £200,000 a week. Oh no, he doesn't care about you. Or about training grounds are. Or to come Bugatti be no the abano based on our training. I remember when Rooney told Memphis the pay. Oh, Manchester United say, Abrant here, I hire by flashy cars in the dressing near the back. You come here to train, you come here to play football. I brought PM Manchester United and your mom cost you and famano. So in the dressing room within the season, Manchester United bo game be no more dressing room. It was a very heated argument. Scott can now we can. And Ronaldo stood up and Ronaldo made sure so you'll be able to the level because he is the most experienced player in the club. And he has actually participated in the most defining moment of Manchester United era. But in 2006, 2007, 2008.
The second coming of Cristiano Ronaldo to Manchester United abwa. Because to say now my example no. Previous we check Oligana so say uncle for kanyade. Ya mo linko. Onye ba list no odiomo to baby ba Ronaldo buy no near done team performance
it is because the player goes within the dressing room year one. Ronaldo demanded a lot because of his standards. He can't sit down and watch so be adding the standard better form. He needs to put but it depends on how they take criticism in the dressing room. Some of the players might feel say we crack asado do o time betwem. There's a problem within the dressing room which has not been sorted for a long period of time now. In 2006, what happened between Portugal and England is still hunting England for no. It's not Jamie Carragher. Besine Ronaldo be bien one Jamie Carragher. Forget about the rivalry. Say Liverpool ni Manchester United.
That's how you should raise na purely Ronaldo when Rooney.
And Ronaldo when Rooney Rooney was wearing the jersey of England. Rooney was not wearing Manchester United jersey. Yeah. What did the chance? So it's a battle. So in the dressing room now, Harry Maguire feels that Ronaldo has always been bossy for a long period of time now. On the captain, only Ghana associate the captain Sam Madabon. Who free for by Ababe Chase is Okra who she that. Maguire and Maguire, the English caucus. It was a battle between the English caucus and the Portuguese caucus. The Portuguese caucus near Brazilians, no more Ronaldo, Fred Mo, Alex Telles Mo, Bruno Fernandes, the son of the Portuguese that. No, so the Portuguese speaking internationals, no, after more say no, this is our champion, this is somebody we look up to. I'm an English for no soon say no, what about your Chrome club near Edia? Yen team, yen grow. It won't mean betrayed yet. But realistically, Ronaldo and Manchester United issue baby a Gina say no. Me sure some Manchester United supporters very frustrated. Should he allow him to go? Should he stay? Experience remember day. The truth is there was a meeting on 26th May between William Mendes and Cristiano Ronaldo. They sat down to discuss thoroughly what they want to do after the season. And it was a 3 hours meeting. Omuri and Ronaldo catch away Mendes say on shall pay clubs. Omon betimi suit because Europa League ni die. No crane game ni any standard and any standard Champions League ni any standard. Iti onya club will be a beboa. This particular issue that is cropping up in the mainstream media now was already communicated by Ronaldo to Manchester United in penny for even after the season. But the mainstream media are getting access to it now because Ronaldo feels that Manchester United a delay with a lot of things and he needs to also push his move. Straight out of the club. Tactically, in the system Manchester United wants to play. Abu Dhabi Miji to me pass. Ten Hag is about to rebuild a faded empire. The club no anymore guasi at a point in time. He needs to reshape every single thing within the dressing room. Every single thing around how a person club now approach and Yoma was on with me. But truth be told, Eric Ten Hag is yet to even sit down with Cristiano Ronaldo one-on-one to think about situation there also. And Enokran Ebe decided to say, Ebia Ronaldo him our clubs need because as it stands, Napoli fana when Napoli matches ambitions of winning trophies or peso free okojina. Number 2, FC Bayern Munich are distancing itself from signing Cristiano Ronaldo. What I know is William Mendes will have to offer him to Team FC Barcelona. But you ask yourself this question: Barcelona be accept it? So mbabo anase obe accept say onyan because the Real Madrid ties Then you talk about Chelsea Todd Bolinya also US for the opobi obetimi na diska kakra Ronaldo beton Jesse Ronaldo be mo the global appeal Ronaldo the team ni be dura chire uko preseason na Ronaldo techira efe eni kamafo betu adu achi but Thomas Tuchel etna sidia no hade na oyo se da bi mi Ronaldo be katimi ho a ebe problem. I feel Eric Ten Hag should look to rebuild the team without Cristiano Ronaldo because everything is so centered around Ronaldo at the age of 37. Ronaldo is not interested in the long-term project of Manchester United because he's 7 years.
Matemasa bona ya hena you ya but them say edio I don't know is ya rira kakra. Now, small God, my main call we know so, but on joining our journey on Sompa TV on Facebook, or search on Sato so I like wash or comment now by Beck and Kind at my YouTube Sompa TV and our face no TV no satellite no so no Sompa TV or searching on yana wahena riramana boamanema kuyepa at me ediama small God need no say I think this team boys Solomon Sam need no yehwani aye ho adwuma etimi de ama why na apia upon chi omode ni nyina de omode beba pepa ha na we ni nyina aye yi kakra Richard Kweku amwako hene aze oloni mamen call Michael na mene Mike nyewi na camera se me yi messages ni bi efiu abat ze messages na eba no nya no class achibat yi kakra neko but today me hwe na ma di hudwuma na receive no ya kinga mai
abu
na bibia hye ye de
nyame ando me bia e kama United for no mudi emia
me ade me zo modi eze United team no
omo favorite artist ni Rama Bedo do for da mia
eno anenwo mo ba eze akra ni made o meso pa
ya wonwum bi o say asemi mi hu mi kan yo ene da we
what is a team no baby
na sa se bia ka
bye team no baby akwedu ne baby o mowura no kofu sa se sheda nya
jame heya we dey crash jame heya
obo player we ho a obutimi ya plan fa let do obo
player ne say ya say man you for pel na player ne bisa general manager ne say oh na director ka wo ba ne mi an ka wo be ka se me kobo club he say dia kwa kodrin but it's a very serious situation but Akomia nailed it. The fact is that Ronaldo wants to win now. United want to build for the future. Ebra.
Mike Mesa Baba me say manya grounds. Manya ni yet ma mini kakrin fio. Small girl ne dey no. Or say that America Saribodu is a monster of analysis. Mate. Or nipa. Nipa emeze ni duma sem no.
No chairman. Wa win my day.
Anyway, so no, the Branty FN Akoi Jichi Charles. They're watching live from Asante Akim. Yeah, that's no the other football pattern. Baby Raman Shakwa Minti. They no Ozzy so is Abu Dhabi the Mr. They were talking about Chama. Maybe the Mr. Wayo. Mr. S or Beba. Why? Timide. And yeah, me trabi me trabe na me say wo side that baby enti aye we ni na wo say me bana me ba be yi ya na ebo na ne makoye pa etimere Joseph Yafidankwa ne de no magoa CR7 captaincy there eno de be ma won na Kofi Richmond join ye Duke Michels era fi Safo Boatin nyina join ya ni no omo hwa ebo ama ne makoye kama pa so na etimere amaye ti no any we are now we so or say the Sompa sports crew is live and clear here in AG School Complex at Kaswa, Dade Policeman Junction, and on the Bababiram Edward Kukudua. I come out to the whole yase, and I fire emojis out on and so Edward Kama sono, etimi Edema, anyway. Now we so by our friend Pond, now I say back neck call Bobby Smith, Abu Dhabi, and James, we are fed down qua, Nidia Nemizeno, Medicaid, if you're Boadu, Boatin Kwame, a more fair Chelsea the Blues, but I think CR7 will be in our team. No, yet you're not said, baby Smart could see, or this way you think if Ronaldo has not gotten a club already, the corner, yeah, so Benedict, Benedict, yeah, Iceman Jane, please, Abu, where's a tapuku? Now we soon chumbe ma Puyo, Akomia is on fire. I remember you from Pond, real guys, not Odo. And I feel my say Kwesi Pinto G. Good morning, boss. I'm loving the show. Yeah, that's and also the Prince J. Please, Chelsea transfer news. Things in the Vicky Zube Ramo, Obe Ramona, we are. We are fighting that. That's why. Now, okay, Matthias here. Now we used to know Messiah, Emmanuel Kwatina G. Sports Messiah, Fire Emojis in Ramo, Prince J. Chelsea transfer news, Ebe Ramo. The job there bright. Too many analysts. Masa Eric Ten Hag should let Ronaldo. Biggie. I don't know ban but my main kind. My main kind. The transfer also baby. Would you be ram? Is there we are
young Formula 1 and
but Monsono Chelsea so more dear muye, Mamma supporters and as a Bamuya Buka crowd.
Ye dear me, you're much rare, Kakra,
Roberto Ronaldo,
David, Memem Ronaldo. So in Pelephone or Penny, they are fine, no problem.
Mate Fabirum, I should be
Stone, ye who the British Grand Prix during the weekend. One of the events award the Formula 1 calendar nimu and to see say you got 10 races the 10th one and you witness and you can Silverstone opportunity or catch Hamilton there. It has always been for the British drivers.
Yeah.
Jim Clark, the late Jim Clark, winning on multiple occasions, winning 4 twice. So it took Hamilton to also come and add another 4, then other 3 twice. So it has been for the British drivers. And to say of course or almost as so dear or Meji BBA frame. So it was always clear, say, Mercedes with Hamilton would do a good race. And I know any idea about so throughout this season. Why are they number 3? Na Bako pe this weekend or the Bako count. Sisi we did 3 million. This is a season Mercedes struggle with purpose. Make up purpose na. Can't nam track ne so pe na ebu atopa. Na sa ne peje no musa. Now Formula 1 dealing with speed, especially for Silverstone track no. circuit no obetimi akọ 160 miles per hour me pesa me ye no way ma wa obetimi de 1 hour 20 minutes akọ Accra with that speed na kwan dem a what the 1 hour 20 minutes na dey do Accra sana ono nhyehyɛ ne tienti clearly na Emma Mercedes ebe taking advantage of this and try to catch up with Ferrari or more the fastest car this season and then Red Bull. So it was something good for Hamilton. Unfortunately for them, George Russell retired because of the play a part in the crash Zhu Guanyu with Alfa Romeo SFI no. Or make me my Zhu Guanyu way no. Now you see sports biano as and when where modifications now I say the improvement at the bebem improvement at the bebem no a idea one a mass sports ni peja 2 a guarantee safety because we play sports to enjoy ourselves and you see a prepra and you see you and it's a wo about football mo abon se mpeni fo atena se no mo di bibi de aba no ma ba sesem kakra owo about basketball mo ani asesem kakra to limit injuries and then reduce the risk of fatalities and ye wo de no in Formula 1 in 2018 omode the Halo device at the buy Halo device no device bi a ohu ne fia bi ya ne se car once a car windscreen no was e obi so eyinim glass ni
yeah
ohwe omo use pragia na ohu se bibi so pragia glass ni ya chemu mienu sa de fia na esi car ne wey ni so ne bonnet ni so no eni two na echem ko ha no eno ene protect you in Formula 1. The Halo protects the head of the driver because almost speed 160 miles per hour. Medinka catcher. Until with that speed, say a boppy bimu kakrebia the impact a be road the wakwenti Zungwa you almost started race no 10-1. By some few seconds. Anna a Pierre Gasly. Ne car ne ko ball George Russell. Into George Russell so train on no so car ko bo bi ne ko peja Zungwa you car no. Now with that speed a toka ni di free okra na fe skid off the track at the back gravels nim and a ball into a supporters ni bi kroma sorry o mu dwane. It is because impact na dey ba na car bet me twa fa so. But strangely hwede we ade ACT o TV so na de itwi ba na soja no driver no escape unscathed.
Yeah.
Omo ko hwe no hospital omo say Ozugwan you ya passing into CCA de obetimi akon why na de obey but race ne de wentimi amambeto aso and it was the impactor the Halo device no enya was to save him and that was very very crucial. It was a bad start to the race and omo ye sans ko start bion because of the safety car deactivation. Ye start bion and another one exciting drama. Who say way Leclerc ne Verstappen mo de pempem no mo ye de omo be eventually then ye ba be hu race ne baby e be kwa kodru. I think say the interesting one for Apostle no Carlos Sainz e de no.
Yeah.
Apostle wait me up him.
Carlos Sainz I think Marshal Masia Binotto team principal for Ferrari. I did back one this season one. Now what strategy is the major problem. Or fastest car. You have DRS and at your disposal, and I'll bet me activity at every point in time. I will say I am allowed to. I be my kind speed up. Now, Carlos Sainz or no, Sebi or we need cry on 4 points in your free.
Yeah.
And so you are expecting, sir, you ensure, sir, bumpire say Red Bull and Mudeno, which happened to Max Verstappen, no, with the puncher at lap 13. No. You ensure, sir, at least number one, Charles Leclerc already know this season. Also, race be anywhere Max Verstappen completely a Charles Leclerc we need that.
Yeah.
So you then make sure so a good strategy say basse Carlos and your opportunity crap and so make sure say Charles Leclerc every passing.
Exactly.
Senebeya gaining a lot of grounds, especially with points, knowing very well that Max Verstappen is more aggressive and experienced and a tenacious chain.
Yeah.
Charles Leclerc
exactly.
In difficult moments. So to me, the Lewis Hamilton and Charles Leclerc on winning championship.
Yeah.
But so the strategy for me has been poor. Look at the strategy even in Azerbaijan, Baku.
Yeah.
So they are saying,
exactly.
Both Carlos Sainz, any Charles Leclerc retire,
Yeah.
So if they don't get one already, almost struggle with consistency and reliability of the Ferrari car, almost braggy initially. Now Sergio Perez is now using experience and why more determined than the Sergio Perez we used to know. And to share this particular reason, Carlos Sainz, Sergio Perez, Lewis Hamilton, Charles Leclerc.
Yeah.
You understand me? So I think that Marshall Benotto strategy, he need to work on the strategy.
But no, I think Leclerc after the race,
Yes.
it wasn't their fault.
But whose fault? There were 2 occasions that Obisa, even friends, Charles Leclerc Bisa, the technical rooms there.
On Pitia
because you expect from the 45th lap Econo, I was expecting someone calling in our pit lane for him to go and pit.
And Abu Wade the say once a race no you were tires you were hard tire and you were soft tire
and a medium tire.
Now a hard tire no elastic durable but a mouse speed because a lack some grip on the circuit and a soft no and I'm saying a check from into co speed now but I win them into quadru baby I was all to miss the same kakra into say oh yeah be race now I better so be call with the soft tire to increase speed but their apostle no Ferrari for no year for Carlos Sainz almost a sign a tie no and the boy no more to me first but Leclerc no year the same teammate no or man yene de no hard tie into as a Vinicius Junior and Benzema now you are nominated for Ballon d'Or now Madrid for no or more year promo my videos or more year promos among Thomas Vinicius now Mato Benzema the other
about situation no CC ade na say
CC
Benzema
now Madrid for no promote Vinicius Junior at the expense of Benzema.
That's what it is.
Sana Ferrari here to Charles Leclerc also the main driver so he was not so happy and a mixed weekend for Ferrari. They have the fastest car and Silverstone so your winning 18 times. So they will definitely produce a winner, but it should be your lead driver.
Okay.
Your lead driver, unless so winning. Now Faye, a year Carlos Sainz no on what take over because we are 150 races. I think we winning back up. So you need to give prominence to Nipana on your main driver. But another miss weekend for Mercedes. Was a Maca Hamilton there?
Yeah.
After Hamilton, George Russell would have completed it. And this season, our spectacular record be said, P5 of them from 1 to 5. But when because of crash and Zugwan went to me and we. So it was another missed weekend for Mercedes. Good race for them, but one of their drivers did not finish. For Red Bull, the puncher suffered by Max Verstappen and also Cuomo. In as much as Sergio Perez did second. Verstappen wanted to enter into the final 3, the podium finish, because a bit increasing the points now. But for say a punch and already 7, which means that on Perez, on the first, Perez the second, just 34 points separating them. But Red Bull lose crazy in terms of the constructors championship, which is a problem for them. In Austria, Austria need a Red Bull for fee. Yeah, maybe I have a contract name in a Red Bull. So Yaba Mercedes for no Hamilton, Britain anyway, Ferrari for a dominate here. What happens in Austria next weekend? And also another crucial thing in the Formula 1. Into this season, in as much as Mercedes am a good way, Ferrari has shown that they have improved. Then Red Bull's watch said they are now on top. Into Agania, I am Agania Malaysia, and Yemo Amagaho. Into next weekend, you be on the Austria, and so they be
Mike, Joao now they hano the new issue no bobo bani hubia. They do be a phone call be bani ade but e be UP near the water so now I can was enti Joao me na nche me mo di nkomo bi wa bi mama me na ya hwesere ne mesiti bi job akwa na bibia hye ye de ne ma so ko kama pa
Kranka nyanye kama bebe
ndie nyame ho me say na so wa start ye pa
kokolo
ami hu ye kana no kra na me be kana wa
say me di kan bo me hu amane ansa
na emusu edu na emuedu o de esa me na me koje ade ne bae ba ne de no na ne na ye no say me mamu yedu ti apostle me mamu yedu pa na de na mu edu probably minimum bia o de be fa
no ye be cha for any ahwefo nyina ye da obi ase say onya bre any edi nkomo ena no pay ahwa look. The current transfer market is a World Cup dictated market. Ye kasa ne pese e nyina ne say player bia wa na dwen say o movie before you start this season no o movie so obenya ball ni bia ball first and foremost na ni coach ehunu no na ultimate na World Cup. Say oh ye move bia sesia ade a odi kan bisa free team on say menye bia bo ana ɛno ne adeɛ baako a ama clubs ɛbrɛ kakra ɛwɔ transfer market team from Manchester United ɔma set media team ne up ɔmo atwa pictures awie sisia for Tyler Malaysia na ɔmo announce say the boy is done. What it means is that he signed a contract after passing the second part of the medical and now no pay. Now all you know, your friend media team is a monya photo shoot any videos I had the announcement no. And a team where a teamer a bassa announce the player. Omo media team no are so innovative. Let's look at some of their key announcements in the past. Be bien one they track coffee piano no.
Na piano the end them is no the football bukra.
Look.
Are you back one e piano?
There's a coffee piano. Alexis Natio, glory, man, you know. That was so innovative.
Now, you want to say that the shots, you know. Now the shots as he carrying chibu kakra. Like you continue on them.
Oh yeah, Nuja. No aba last season. Ye nyina ye ni na kwan be number announce Varane. Kwan be number first announce Varane. Video number anything. Anybody else na Varane e kra Jesse. Old Trafford. Pitch no so.
Yeah.
Nti Tyler Malaysia ebeba. But Manchester United problem power market no. One availability of target. Se unya bi na se o bre ya na edin. Manchester United ne Barcelona ntem problem bi ani ho. Se omo ka enya common agreement for Frankie de Jong. Problem ni say boy ni agent ana intermediary bi am be Manchester United say ne personal terms ye be anything. Which is for me the other way round. And sana team bi be ko player ho. Omo di kan ko player ne ho. Ni agents and intermediaries say pe no. Enti ansa na omo de bid ebetum no na player na mama no ba se meba mam. Before a team firms up a bid to another team, no money player na dredge enti tapping up there obi e tap up. But Manchester United case we no Ten Hag mom and any Frankie de Jong aiding koma, he is trying to convince him say beba mami. In the assistance, Manchester United, any Frankie de Jong, any personal terms agreement there. Only omu nkomo po na say, ni agent na ma won say look, say na my dream so beju. Nti coach na catch team ni say omu nyai say adwuma ne ma no. So his most difficult job now is convincing the player to even accept so beba Manchester United. So jai boy no kwa dia. Ono no na nkope so obo Manchester City if he wants to move out. Na Barcelona hwe wages a owoso no mo hwe Bernardo Silva de no no mo say even a direct swap is impossible. And into na Calvin Phillips akwa deputize de ama Rodrigo or Manchester City. Again, it's difficult in the market.
But I'll start here from this angle. Say, and you know, player be move or consider the World Cup or no. But then be musu moves in my clearly. Almost start with our team no Edin Kakra. He say Aurelion Chouamini. Same thing Calvin Phillips. Your other player was a move no my no say me come City say me bubi no. Hu Kakra. Me come Madrid say me bubi no. Hu Kakra. But our players in the national players are a part of our squad.
Odi kan hwe ne ho. No hwe department no wo mu no.
Yeah.
Onimpefe say Kante ni ahode a ode bobo na obo ni biem.
Chouamini.
Yeah.
Mama do benye biabo.
You be a bit part. Obebon kakra. But coach nim say, na Kante fitness no. He can't be relied on like in the past. Ntiene Aurelien Chouameni agreement will say the position no is not so much of an issue. Imagine say oye Ibrahima Konate. Dayo Upamecano. Na Sisia France bobo na Jules Koundé. Movie I'll be bizarre say me menya boni bi amwada because Sandy Panimi and Sano they are not guaranteed a place in the French national team. Two movie I'll be careful. Darwin Nunes a movie from Benfica to Liverpool. The reason is that Cavani Emre Suarez enyini into him say e den a no on the bebo Ghana ni Uruguay no Darwin Nunes nim ne be lead the attack no because his place is cemented. But you move it to the other end, and the payer Fulham announced a deal for Yao Palinia.
Okay.
Palinia here, when we say, look, Minyabibo, they mean a game time in a different league. A farmer may say Kim, Danilo Bettenanche. What do Portugal need in that midfield? They need the third man. the need for the third man has been exacerbated, and I say, and what be here if you say, Nipa no modene Bojao Moutinho no, when you need, enti open regular say, almost static key one. They say, don't me don't say, Aqua with the center midfield in City, and I do best starting. Ebe Bernardo Silva. We can't speak same for Neves. We can't speak same for Danilo, and then João Palhinha. But on him say, they are Portugal bomb now. And that's some of the 1-6. And now 2-6. Number 6 for me, you know, into my bafulam, many biabo. Me ba, if free team the time bang September. Or European qualifiers in Nations League, no. October. No we. Squad never ba.
Oba World Cup. Ozabo League.
Inti ayedin. You Chelsea na atenidia no cost kakra. Na Rafinha. You see, I think Yana Yakakra. Rafinha and Barcelona agree personal terms in March.
Achekra.
Good. Now time and Chelsea bompa is a lease and relegation. Now omunya Rafinha for a knockdown price no. Na Barcelona so boss empire ni bi. Na Barcelona empire na no edin say Chelsea there no. Because Barcelona for ni sikasem no die. They needed something. They needed a miracle. See 25 million we babo bosia na koto. But amfa nti Rafinha tenasi din Barcelona na no meko. What would they do? They omoka third party ownership sika. No ma kwa book no mo dey be wura mainstream no. No mo dey assign player no. Uja Barcelona so mo mfa 60 million euros a liter. Omunya. They won't get it. Nti just okoko stress free baby. No ma dope the rim. No mo dey aba. Again. Ya can't say na me sense so. Football is a very corrupt sport. It's a dirty sport. Football the more I open and the more I won't pay. Teams ni yenchewa and are clean. There's not a single clean club in football. Odabi team baku kwen nanka Vatican ekoto team ema niguye.
Prof.
Ancona or something. Italy.
Bishop.
Aye.
Vatican koto team.
Almost say almost pe clean sport say. You see, and then you opening day nti be nyamu takaka.
Yo. Atomaze. Na abago for team no la akoya obo faso ye yina.
Almost say Ancona's divine intervention. And that team by say Papa Konkron Pope John Paul II Zidane free honest no. Nti ya onu no say baby football kono. Sika no mo the top players no. Enye ebe say we ase. The capitalism in football is too much. And almost say corruption about football man obi awia we obi and yes adia Pope and the Vatican say omoko Ancona omoko fa team. No mo the end me run and crojin uberi. So all these teams are doping. Chelsea are expecting to agree a deal with Raheem Sterling. Yet say Rafinha Chelsea tried hijacking the deal for Richarlison because they had wind. Say Rafinha deal no Deco Monsieur Chirayaboni.
Was it Deco Bebao? Deco crash on mommy. Deco a former player at Chelsea. That's as well Barcelona. I know Ejuma says about the Deco, let the Deco fast with you.
Nanka de Misha Nimuni say, in Kalis for no any Chelsea Bejatum. Nanka boy and a cost or a medicano, no more the motorbike coffin.
I walk off a few.
Airport
and what's it? The Omodi Tottenham. Not here. No, about Deco, me there. Deco, near fair to Chelsea.
Ejuman is sanity. Ejuman and Raba. Still on the Chelsea front, and yes, all Munisika. The idea that Chelsea needs Cano and Yabakwa Mimsum. Name the availability of the target. Juventus in here, Timo Werner. Juventus Omunya Hakim Ziyech. Intelligence Chelsea your Madrid so mu disikan kwa ebeko. Chelsea disikan kwa kwa na no be na otwe. Na Juventus GB replacement here wine. That's the first question you ask. Adenti na this ankomo we ha. Bazagli ko ye. Chiellini ko. So now a kwanda ho. Meaning they are losing 2 senior center backs. Why neighbor? Obi ad nani hwe cross city rival Torino, Gelson Bremer. Sanka Bremer mra. Internet kan ye Bremer underground work. Oma ya through level say e o say sika bi free baby ba. Necessary you see your friend be food chain.
Okay.
Sika ba kono so obi nsaka. Esesa nipa bebre o. Interdi oma ye nyina no say melange screen here. Ni sika no in free PSG mai. Ansana ombetimi replace melange screen here no. This is sika na ba. Say intenya sika ni say Kim omo ko Torino. Akofa Gelson Bremer. Juventus susu Timiton Matthijs de Ligt. Omani wo Gelson Bremer ho because they say there is no readily available Italian centre back number 5 ye Italian Benyan on the market. Hwan Udu we ni be fema unya obi oya available.
Oh, but let's say a free agent. Alicia Manoi.
Oh, na onyade.
Aba I told you this year.
Onyade.
Oh, there. Oh, the
Lazio mo kan e
onyade. Oh, Chama, consider the
kaka. I
told you.
Na onyade.
Oh, free agent too.
Onyade.
Oh, say na Italy wa no am na prepare.
Ho na problem ni nyina ho no. Omo mbe so nsa ma wa bo no. Omo kofie. Kelly ni ko bazard ni ko Bonucci enyini
nti ozo obebo.
Nti no ba obebo. That the difficulty in losing Matthijs de Ligt for Juventus no. Nti omo hwa na so omo nya ne omo pa ombebo bo boom to frustrate Chelsea. Adenti na ombe yesa. If we say mistakes are Marina Granovska no. E da ho obi ehu bi. The problem is that obi enim say Chelsea here center backs 3. Worst case scenario 2. Na enye say omo center backs ni bi dada na omo kope bi o. Omo ni ho. Rudiger is no more. Obi enim. Christensen ko. Jules Koundé yente hwe. Natanake say Manchester City beton so omo ton. When there is a need for a player, clubs ni ana omonum kasa nyede. Because on himself who ya player no ding ding ding. Atichiro nsa guachi. It's a problem. Now, move away to the other side of the coin. Arsenal identified targets and they have started getting the targets in. Omu this SKW because Omu himself for the next 3 transfer windows. Omu team is seriously active.
Arsenal na idea na sisa be wade. Omu ko play bia ho ayepe we teams be ba ba be fa. First so na Arsenal ni munyam no. First no de no more no manu abefa. About this year come on you plan A no crane for B and fa. The be for C for D. Good. But Arsenal dey ko A. We pay we no fa. I don't know.
Not me say Manchester United are ready for Lisandro Martinez. I dream about me say look Manchester United benyano because of Ten Hag.
Yeah.
And Ranajo and Edu a briefy Arsenal journalist no Chris Whitley mo. So mo na bon team country reason na say even though Manchester United dey pay Lisandro Martinez no Arsenal gidi say omo ni duru baby a say boy na dwum da ho pa no say obey adwuma ni ya. Oba be bo amom. It is the Latin America connection.
Oh, okay.
It's the Latin America connection.
Of Argentina.
Good. Oka Spanish.
Yeah.
Coach he can Spanish. Ateta understands Latin America better. Nti no de yemrubrem yembumpia ebenya ne epe. You get into market no the difficulty of this very current market and say one here waso be she because players in the World Cup. Secondly, club bia trains ke be free baby. Obia Monaco aje 100 million bam. That is going to be the standard for the next 5 years for midfielders. Almost through. And there were rumors that Liverpool beating out to Jude Bellingham. That's when you have 100 million euros because Chouameni is going to be the standard. Monaco nyaji says Canary no. Ebe se Neymar move no. And it sales post that. Coutinho, Dembele na nyomo buono no. Neymar ne dictate price no. Into Benyabotre, Chelsea would get Raheem Sterling. Omunya Raheem Sterling, we are. Now the focus is going to be on trying to get Matthijs de Ligt. When Chelsea get Matthijs de Ligt, Omunya defender will be to about 12 years at the very highest level.
Bro, Mate, minim say about say she about ochna ejuma me pese o yema me paye emeze Itamilan so minim say then no obofa we wa no mo de na ba no ma fa we wa no mo de na ba I tell them come she be aba this is your major Champions League. Anti bravo chame na my but I'm my messages in a kakrana mini fefu ansana ya bafie na ya babi di efisem no nkomo kakra bi on nsem no dosin ye papa tie be na yewirama na we know Justin Muller. I love you so very much. I know you're the other Godfrey Usu also see the emoji bi wasre sa na wasu a meza se o nyina no krenya befo na we so no ne die no mama Real McCarthy I say Agi ayo out there bin kan bi Agi good morning to you all for the best sports station. Keep it up. Nediano, good luck. Different guy. Nediano, good work, Kata. And we saw Ketichi, Malcolm Chi, I say Bane, Kwalisechi, Real McCarthy. Now I'm saying also need a Bismarck, Ajeman. Pempe, I think they're when you because I didn't pa good luck. Nediano, we are enjoying you, Yadase. Nediano, sorry, but never be run a Real McCarthy, Diano, McCarthy, Malcolm Chi, Man, Koso Kakrama, and I'm here, Mini McCarthy, Diano. And if you're watching the show, I'll say we are watching what they are doing now, or Dimoji being so it Mukuku DMC need ata a professor or a sports analyst akuya bin chairman there if you have been for go you ye kakra bia asube she kakra very gozu say manza you guys should aki my hena yemra fie ni nkomo but guso ya ba community be tutumpe ya bre na ye din komo bi on Zoom na ya wusere nema esi etie na mon fie ma hena membo boso kakra na ya resere nema esi etie ni de rema nyamete ze ne Ghana under 17 emano yesi ya bande omo ze from next 2 editions say ye kwakwa jamo the World Cup no ayejuma no ban biaba na nchemuni chese emre ni Morocco ere kokobwe ni yambayo anu mienu eni abaye feni Nancy Amoa ena Rashida Shahadu Mocheze Maya mienu said the last time na didi on come Morocco by Mocheze mani bu anom qualify ze yedi omba bejina mu yesi ndi isa so twe no aba World Cup mienu eda yenim no under 17 mana from no yentimi nkonkonko gina mo entimi nkonko yejuma no ntia no yedi no so no aba bewrama edon sesem no enso ewram kama pa de ama na aboa na tutie no etimi adadi na na etimi akoso ne we are but mresim no de aka no ebeto ase na we your sa issue ne mame ansana ma hwe na madam ho kakri bi na afima bana de akibia me de ato ase de ama report ebo we de ba jeze ma no under 17 no World Cup mienu ede anim no e man intimi nkonko bobi hwe no kakra ma me bishop na me hwe na amresim no me na me ombra
asemi ye hase ane ye ka no emsese mbenya nansi amo na man ya ono na obo corner kicks mienu obo na abehwe ball no onimbo pa nti enye nwanwa say omo targeting no. Now the bigger issue for us is that adie we hase no na neoma konkan Jeff you see say obi your papa asem we yaka Arab for oh be jisika kakra oh madam for jisika kakra ena jisika kakra ochina jisika kakra obit mama skasa be 5 years yeah o man bibia wo enya hwe madam for enya hwe o jisika ne 5 years adako anu aba say onya me papa we eya odin pa ba be because o kai 5 years ne wa gina ono so no nim ne opefi wo no sheda enyamre Morocco for ye o ha no ma be fine no mo de ekọ ne abo friendly match o ma fa ho kanyina ne ani age ye ba no ma sama iska she botom panyimfo mu diti na twu mu kwa no ma ye shopping na mom no bi ani age no ma ba o mo ho mo so mo ba Ghana no ma ba o mo ambassador e friend Imani Wadil o ya madam for de bi aro kasa se look Morocco de o mo person mo bo ma African Ghana for nkra ko nyina no mo for mo passport airport o for your fingerprint no ma fa and Granny be craft as a contract in Moroccan female teams.
Okay.
Inti ye bo Guinea match ni we omu so mo na e bebo no e no mo tenase. And cry de o makobo friendly matches ni na omo fo obi di no ma hwe passport number. Omo ba kroma na ye hye omo no. Omo hwe passport numbers na e different from the Granny di kan ba e na wo so no. Omo amboa. E no mo ko chinchim yensa wo ho. And no machine to our screen no Nansiamo and a two corner kick at two pom din only bop papa about bashos is ya about see how you tam corner never until no on my year free mo commit mama de nako
ana o sandi we ne ko
didi na ye okuruma so mo asisi yen o ma wia yen na o de call dressing room ne ade ni nyina meti oduru safo kwan o de ma ne fa so ne nenye nemu nka o ma ne nkoda o ma san ka che FIFA ne ka se Ghana fo we mu no o ma ko wiem
Probate, mame na me umra, me ba pe be di more. Ana ebe kan sem na odo na we no na fa fi sem no. Ya rira mu nti me da me kwere ba ya pena. De akibia eto aso fie de ama. Enche yabena yakona fi yakona yakwa akudi nkoma odo na ya unsere ne mesite na
Morocco is a project. They are serious nation when it comes to sports, especially football. We're a project. The Moroccan Women League, Cecilia. Yeah, start Ghana. Yeah, call World Cup in the US. I mean, yeah, call World Cup 1999. Morocco, Gramunju Zobe, a marble, and there is a level of investment or more at the Hashem. Look. Morocco decided, sir, a do baby, no nice or mine and Kasa Kofem. On my new yam, so I decided, say, yeah, the ball a good some. So Mohammed Asif. But my cancer, Fauzi Lekaya, me Bonabasu, the Kenya Moroccan Federation president.
Yeah.
Ni tenure and so leader with vision. And they also on my way ready. What you say, or buy no so, you bet me the ball at Peja Morocco. To watch here, while Ahmad war Urakuzinia Techie first vice or CAF Nirano. Most of the conferences of CAF near Morocco.
Yeah.
Patrice Motsepe Babayev president. Nepa omuye ku no. Na okipi secret no bibia Fauzi Lekaya. Omuko bia no ewo Chan or Cameroon. No mu share bibia kama. Morocco position on African continent currently about more influence in African football. Incredible. Finally, Ono Fauzi Lekaya is a member of FIFA Council. Fauzi by achievement achieving in football, no, it has never happened in the history of Morocco. Maybe apart from AFCON. But look at, since he came, investment in areas of one. Say WAC and Raja Casablanca and qualify for CAF Champions League. You bet to ya omo hotel bill. You bet to ya omo flight. Bia Morocco club bia to ya capre. What the answer say? Ya dear, winning league, winning the domestic FA Cup version of FA Cup, no domestic league cup, winning a cup. Ubi bia to ya mouth. Since then, look, WAC Omaji 2017, Haji recent one against Ali. What do you say? Yeah. Raja Haji 2 Confederation Cup. And they've been the semi-finals for the past 4 years. And then RS Bekana Aye or no Fauzi Lekaya Nani team. Wasan Jimmy, you know. So clearly, a master plan a vision with investment or money abri. And he said, yeah, who could diagram or me travel? What do I say? This is the nation of money abri pa. And he where they are grokra.
But the apostle Mesaba, Afisem no Yerena, ya didi to dona on commona abuana nema kuye. The mena umra, ya quere bapena, Fisem natwaso.
Let's place a bet on this afternoon's game.
And this evening's action, bro.
A horrible sequence.
And 3 more tomorrow.
Against Arsenal.
Okay, remember, when I slow down, when I take a break, and I stop chasing losses and stick to my budget, that's when I'm going to have a lot more fun. So, let's place a bet on this afternoon's game. Bet responsibly. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
Ati no ya carry actual season no the major leagues no eco break na enche beba na monsto wa kwenya zoldo ho bebo betu e Ghana na we twa na we diska bumpa ti ne no eco break no your other countries be are still omode omobo ti bebi abeku bia no wa kwenya so betwa na we diska kese enye no nko football no na ne uze enye Man U na ebo enye Man City na ebo na opeso twa bibia be pacho basketball tennis gusu ani nyina no obekona odiska akoto echi na wadi ne dwuma na yefo kane na akosa light tin na do me so muntwa ma bara ofi ade ane so be fa phone no about www.betway.com.gh na wa register ne kama pa info bia no beje na odo mobile money na mana ka ho udi pe wa beti kunkun na atomede ama akra we ne adwuma we ne mpinfo adwuma agro we no mpinfo agro entu ni du fie du otwa amfa ho nko ginam za abu etime bo fa ho kakra hwe nanim ana asesa kakra o ya agro ndi sa agro no ti wanya fie du otwe de ku anim am pa cho betway Ghana and also don ho ewram na eboa amane makoye kama pa so no etime eremanti no no echi no mo casino e-sporting na fi no mo online racing outdoor na horse racing ni ade ni na no betway Ghana and also don ho bom na eboa amane makoye eremano pare ya kere cho ze ni 32 teams a akọ ginamu abu ejuma the FIFA World Cup no ya bom modern ya tonsa afrem pinfo outdoors omra na ye hu nhihye ya ye betutu na kwa mabebo ama World Cup na ye krabe o man Ghana nyame adaro ma ye kan obi di pinfo dodo na akọ kurama e no mokọ akọ na abo amantutie no etime de on komo na kasama for the Ghana Football Association Henry Asante Chum ebo modern update e wo Qatar Doha ensimsi no pinpa no ebo modern di jai. Alright, niama di dem ebeko na ya bomodin na enkomo no ya usere niama esiete ti we no na a live from Doha na ya usere enkomo no sitie komo si na no pipa no ebomodin di jai. Yere etutuma ebeko na ya kwa akuti Henry Asante Twum na ya usere niama esiete na nkoma hodo na ne pipa no abomodin ti mereja eti ma yetie no yentie ne sem no di jai no.
With just a few months to the World Cup, FIFA Iron Shishaya, 32 countries now qualifying in Waboyano, or the EFA Chichimu, or the EFA entity, EFA media operations, EFA accreditation, EFA access, transport, logistics, any players no on medical issues, any baby, any ticketing. Intina Yawa, Dr. Pambo, our medical head for the Black Stars, or no Ewahabi, means I'm here in charge of media, Mr. Somewa, Alexandre, our chief team administrator, and so Ewaha. I think there are other marketing issues that also needed to be sorted out in terms of what you can do and what you cannot do. For that reason, Jamil Marabi Soso Ewahanum. There is also the issue of ticketing and security, and also Yahubiwaha Osia Nemoye Ura Simon Yahuma, our member of the Safety and Security Committee, or chairman of the Western Regional Football Association. Since we have been here, we've done a lot of work. In Aminoka say it's a packed day. There have been issues about high performance, Ras and Venga, and addressing issues about accreditation, head of FIFA media, access, television production, media relations, media operations. ABC my first session about a year. We are on break for 30 minutes. After the break, we will go back and have group sessions on various topics. Experts free FIFA and any disankomo. Nanke was Ura Gianni Infantino, FIFA president, Ebaha, Nemum, and never coming in 70 when to me and Mabat or Danudian a go for Niso, a video presentation and about the actual delegates. Since we came here, I've seen Senegal, Morocco, I've also seen the other African countries qualify. Tunisia, I've seen Iran, Portugal, and the official opening ceremony. South Korea formed by any I think it has been very good so far. Team inspection about the actual delegates. Since we came here, I've seen Senegal, Morocco, I've also seen the other African countries qualify. Tunisia, I've seen Iran, Portugal, and the official opening ceremony. South Korea formed by any I think it has been very good so far. Team inspection. All the various training centers are all the teams and hotels our teams now are selected in terms of I had a media booming.
Tiano Yankoma, Henry Asante Chumkasama for the Ghana Football Association live from Doha, Qatar. And I ne watch it mu kama pamia un sere nema esi e ko tie mpem fo no obebi bia na na mu e wo se hu ne ehwe e bia na nyame asefi so na World Cup we de Ghana e first African country e ko akoje bata eden de di ya na mamu fanhye mutimu sa di ade na eden de yemfi on yan kokoko ramu Great Olympics so maso ye na coach Arno Walker eni jamo ye jumero coach Arno ye nyan years after Great Olympics season e kwere premier no ye si nei ohwe sere ne emesitie ne de e kwa esiniama didadidema timaje from Samatis ni wedi nkoma kwecha amopezo baba bejiamu na Premier League no ma qualify no ne omobu ejuma no kribisa wo mana Alright, niama didama ebebo modena ya kona Afri coach Arno Walker ya kona akwa kutie ne sem no na aboa ama niama adida ye pa ti yenhwe na yenramu na bibibia ndedadi coach Arno Walker sem o kan fa woni
omuni min kan nti ona min tin kan se ma ko mi ko be bia nti min ko be bia for me omuni mi akasa but ye ko fa
Atiano Yankomo kakra ne pay perfect na no Walker apomode etimira tudwa hotiri okan nchemo de ba na chese nkomo no omundi nko bibia ti omadibide bare nko bibia ne oda su jama obu ejuma e de Great Olympics e boama tutu no e da ye kama pa so etimira momonte no nkomo kakra otimiri je na no the Ghana Football Awards ne koso Honorable Neilante van der Poel or the former sports minister by no term no na chese ne pension na Honorable Dini Juma boama ne makoye pa me Eddie Emomo. Now, I don't know if it's about the back one Ghana and Kofon say high in football and pay bettings and some. Now, bettings and some no can want say.
Well, if we don't have the structures to be able to monitor the effect of betting on our game, then off. It's better for us to continue. I've played football before to the highest level in this country, and we didn't have betting at our time, and we played the game out.
Atiano Yankomo kakra ne opipa no pomode de fan wan nyina mo na eboa mane makoye pa etimi ede emomo kama e de won sesem no ewram na bibia de dadi so no etimi era ma na inter schools competition no na ye hwede mu se na otwi ne be sha ase but ba kumienu bi no share dan de da yisa ti e sha ase a enyeyi na minim na se we ne de dem a mo ma me mass for no omu jama ne kakra na menhwe se de ho sensem no esietie na yendi ho komo ti amas jama no mama minti kakra na menhwe se de ho sensem no esietie
Sompa Sports.
Ati no ti amasphobia na emeze be de pa se basi na hwesiro musisi jama di asano na yibumfin na betoto papa so a aso be shi papa na Philip Jansen ene captain edema amas ene bi zanze na ko sabuto ko jawa ye adwuma ni bi amama na ne wa fie ko was na Philip Jansen ze o was there say animanum ya amuni omu koyewe ebe den kakra mo bi ko zabuto there ze wo ni twa on a day adwuma obetima ye etimi ede amomo ene sere ho sensem no esi etie ni de ewramu komo sei eno na yedi ye
two coaches na difference e wo me saying there na Gazali so dia be team difference umpa difference di is a sabuto old coach na sabuto oni ja Only I have a conversation with Timmy Sabuto in Gazari and the first year. Timmy said, Gazari. After the airport is ready. Now, Oba, you move saying, oh, Oba, be a Kokama. Be a quay or buy, I won't say, be winning 2 touches, nay, stay to go 2 balls, stay, attack it, ABBR, or buy ABBR, so I sign some. Okay.
Tiano yan komo kakra ni captain Edema Mas Philip Jackson no tiri o kan o ze Zabuto old coach Jebeze we Zabuto Amas for ne so tactics am say twem kakra o tino ya den ya mushua captain no captain grab his one na ye adwuma da o tu onimo on the Bahamas.
Yes.
Sabuto na
on the Philip Jackson mediama under 20 player.
Okay. Atuko Sabuto na the Bahamas.
Put Sabuto na.
Was it tactics na twem your old coach?
Oh, say, but I feel say you was trying to refer say the new coach Abba in the shape of Abdullah Ghazali. Mama
Ghazali to Tonio man na
obo crossing near the
way no.
Southampton
But I say Sabuto there no share dem hu.
Na Sabuto no say ono ayi on the Bamilo games ni pa no say PMP. PMP dey come. Possession and pressing. And not the Bamilo newspaper. Any newspaper. O keep go Sabuto. And pressing.
Or the PMP never.
Or the PMP never.
Na Amas to say oyo coach.
Okay. Amas for Nankas actually Abu say o show mo training na. Omo boy expansive wing game.
Yeah.
Omo e work from the middle.
Yeah.
Now there will be an overlapping right back. Say be your number 2 no. No overlapping. Into winger ne cutting. No I inverted. To say be a Robin there no. Into in the box. Say cross a bar. They will have like 4 men in the box. Okay. And there is an on-rushing midfielder making it 5. It is a mass offensive ne far or beshell.
Did the Ghazali dia calls is here?
Yes. Stop the pass.
Okay.
When you stop the pass, now I take you off now.
It is a counter. It means that Amas Lucy 5 men. Until they are 4 to defend.
Mami Ghazali kakra. Mami ne kakra na me hwe de ono so no de baba be roma boa ma ne ma ko ye de amomo na ye hwe se ono so na se na isi ani hu se re ne me si ko ati yankoni yankonkuti coach Ghazali kakra.
Well, for now, I can boast of what we are doing, and I think my defenders are understanding whatever we are putting on them. As you see in our session today, you could see that I was emphasizing on the both attacking and then how the defenders will shape the back in order to avoid those. When they are able to listen to whatever thing that we are going to put here, we are telling them, definitely when they go in and they are going to implement it, we don't think they consider it. Well,
Atiano, young Komo Kakra. Club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko coaches no back no Abdullah Ghazali na te said the okano cheso abane de or the niama odona be dizena Mike any mezia de report ne ba no dem ze inter schools competition no ebe da fi pa coach Sabuto na aye ya ti ma me hwe na me komni nkomo ofie na ye hwe sere niama esietie ba dem resim no niama boma ye be kona ye di nkomo ba ko mienu bi na aboa na niama deda yeso no etimera ba bara minya reports ye say verbally Christian Eriksen agree on Adwadia so be see akeda Manchester United no ye de mensa kan no na fi Barcelona so confirm Yeni Frankesi esi ni official wa join Barca or kono akakubu ejuma de amo apostle yere issues on grounds from Neil and Van der Poel na me be dia offer en sema ebobo de ba
my share here from the inter schools you know for me very important you see any better time for Ghana, your Ministry of Youth and Sports, Ghana Education Service, any Ghana Football Association than this time. Mikasa because for the first time in the history of African football, CAF, under the able leadership of Dr. Patrice Motsepe, our CAF president, the CAF Inter-Pan-African Secondary Schools Competition Championship ABBA. And no, for Ghana, for instance, this year, I say ma school baako a national champion any mema baako echo represent Wafo Zombi. Also Wafo Zombi Ghana, Benin, Togo, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Niger. Ye constitute Wafo Zombi.
Yeah.
And he say you make sure say yɛbɛnya representation for that. Now we are the champion of each zone, no, CAF 14 zones, champion of each zone. And you see, a idea, a very very good opportunity for and all our first inter-schools sebi should I call baby IBA academicals and cry and yet to set up a commercial here on T. Sir Akolani Diana Wanyanda 17 be Akonyamye na Doma Odiasia. But this time around, Butake Sebi is Obekwako at the biggest stage of Africa. And then you assemble inter-schools in Colombo Boba competition. Competition Nangaza President Nangaza of CAF, the Onwani Sika, the foundation $10 million. NS seed money for this particular competition, and a idea on per se fayi nkola free omo ghettos ne baby enye omo per se young boys be share say no we ni niema anakrono. Then also the opportunity say one a true discipline. Oh be say Gazelle Okochi Amase, somebody I know very well, or a serious disciplinarian. Players I bet you coaches are discipline, values, or the teamwork. Say niado yenyina ye kamboma na kunimdie ebeba. Ena o community so respecting crofo say sebiu o mame na wo papa na wo enye omunkwa na papa no mame. Saa niema ne daachi niema o femu no kra kwa obefa so obetimi aya kola wo nyina osua se ewiase no sabiu enye kwa o fa so sha se ne hia be kwa obeto so obewi. Saa niema ne nyina kan and opportunities are one obe networking Ghanaian player called no Morocco schools ekoshia no mobo or Egyptian school ekoshia no mobo you network obe exchange contact unim baby adachi edu baby amika kwa billionaire biba. Yes, that's how the world is. The world is full of network. And then, the opportunity for scouts bar around they are called the youth teams in Europe are very high. Meanwhile, boy, unanam Casa na Opokwa na Masi na Odibo na Jefina Odibo. But this time around, Akwenya Basa school no atimi a qualify representing Ghana. And so this time around, there's no better time for inter-schools competition to be very competitive and attractive than this time, especially this season. And a few ways to CAF say by August we representing the school until from September to December. Zona no share. Come next year na the asheso. And so inter-schools competition and this is the first now you this time we a young player. We are selected now. Boy, represent team. So we and I'm sure because of that competition will be keener than before because you see, but free traveling opportunity to a lot of young people. But say you know benya oya kola so ni papa ni bia be dey call ABI fan say your boss will be na bia Ghana Nigeria na host here at the tender age and for under 16s at the tender you have an opportunity to go to a place like that. What do I say? As we speak now, bidding process for countries first of all hosted the maiden edition of the African competition proper for the seasons. And me sure say ocean facility available. South Africa, Egypt, Morocco, for na go form facilities in there standard. Ocean parties much be buyer. So pitching we a club over CAF Ghana Champions League. You a cup baby and home cry you a cup baby fufra pitch near quality because of television coverage. Once the national team, once Ghana, yeah boy, yeah AFCON qualified. It's Angola.
Yeah.
So they say yeah. And but we're not supposed we say they are waiting my home team to go and play in Angola.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the facilities they are better. So television coverage will be available to these young players. Can you imagine? So we are young under 16 television coverage and it's all over the world. Scouts, opportunities. Some of the board were SHS 2 and now one now Boboli or Hanabia I scout Basona scout. That is how big it is. And akole kwa unim yeah no busuan form faso benya o mine ankasa quick early development technical the technical enhancement at that early age the national team the youth national team the senior national team so look we a young player now and now represent two squad we need opportunity that may the agro because in faso was someone one kasa as a player opportunity are very very keen so this year's competition is going to be very different. I'm sure sir they've communicated that may bonfire say the Ministry of Youth and Sports, GS, best supporting of logistics. Look, the state institutions can support them with logistics, quality jerseys, boots, and just to make sure say and this Saturday we the academics of Ghana, and we as a nation. Sebi we adi apparent moche be dia by na enye news say on mine is serious 64 academics everyone say community Jones took a few I mean Franco do visit them they went to Japan 1964 with academics and academics with 65 won the second AFCON for us so the sha say nyende but typical of Ghana adi sha say the there but say beto so
na ya de kakra I say ya de mono wa ha pray but the we na ye
okay mama
with even the inter-schools your mobile venue and the charge for a day 30,000 cedis. Apostle Kabibi about say Yebenya state institutions or more coming to the help of these schools near there. I don't see why an entity like maybe GMPC, some more foundation, and they are into education. I hope you get it. And it's all more into education. Now, investing in sports is one way or the other contributing towards education, because students know schools, so you are pumping money directly into the schools to improve. One, or be improving the sports infrastructure. Then plus the kids will also benefit from it. And you'll be or bet na classroom. No a tro, no a trap. No, they acquire Juma or bank, acquire Juma or this company. Obi the sport. Obi so there your booth into a car academia no a car sports the boom. Abuano. Obi this Abdul Majid Wares. He's a graduate, he's playing football. And he's over in the football career and a cry. That be Obi Timia could take up a position. And the Etnaka Giorgio Kelini asem. Kelini now Okita masters in economics. After football, he ventures into something different. Say football on a crown or peso okemwa. He ventures into football administration. Enti yenne cha yankoda no mo who says sports no ente ne ho free education nim. It is part of the education process. And obi or yes sports biano na dwumudo. Yeah. I mostly we underestimate them. Players no mo bobo near or mudi nkomo ye you know. Say bi betna TV so ye paneta. The experience they share a valuable and normal pandit own take part in at sports ni bi no own team share. And I don't
I don't know who that ball crowd down now. What you born about you? What about 5 seconds? They take a decision. Do you be so your cognitive state or
cognitive state? I was say spot on because you are imagining things. Who should the ABC? Who imagine say oh in the next 5 seconds, ebia akomia bedruha. Enti ma me fa born infant one famano. Ebia in the next 10 seconds, me cross way simua. Ebia tapoku dreamy kaba be headed ya shame. Enti you are imagining, and if you are imaginative, you are not a creator. If you are creative, it means you are brilliant. And these are the athletes, these are the footballers who are giving us that consistently on their tracks and then on the football field. Now, omu to me freeze our stage, never bedroom stage, or sans analyze their kanwa, or added advantage. But ni no, had the formative stage. Omu ni no airbano. Hona odi scanning kwa kweshem. Then you are encouraging them. Into a boy inter school say no him so benya kwenya kwa kobo Africa. Look at what they did for Azak's ladies. Omokra no munye school, they are just a club. No munya kwenya no so mo kobo Africa. It's show a shining the spotlight on them. Into the spotlight na shining on them no. Evelyn Badu, where is she now? When ya kwenya kwa broche. Gradually they are getting enough abia a bo mo enhance your career. They need the spotlight, but if you don't invest, how did they get the spotlight? So when you baba around video agrono or why never be home? And this is a festival. A woman with the American sports, your make say American sports, a baby pejadru baby druna. Say LeBron James, baby LeBron James, are you who I can't once a month. Say Kobe Bryant, baby Kobe Bryant, I can't once a month. They will need to pass through the school system into from high school to college. Near bed drafted into a kati across hockey bear in a draft. Basketball bear in a draft, even in the MLS. Yeah, what draft? Yeah, Raoul Salifu. Yeah, but was a man for no whole story. So, baby, I want to the formative stage of the MLS, a developmental stage in Tiedokowa, and Sunday they are called the major MLS Nankasemo. Omo free school sebano. Omo pass it through that process, that route. Omo femua. No more they are back into the senior. Until before so bedru ono, wa ben dada. And I was also bobo on the account. That chibi, se football no kopra. a career or life-threatening injury be now to me to tell you kakra now 9 year amputate, but you still have your brains, you have your certificate, you can still be useful to the sport and answer to society.
Marty, Mezia, crack on the games, you know.
The most successful period, arguably, our Ghana football move was between 2006 to 2015.
Yeah.
Emunia J under 20, 2009.
Yeah.
Wow, we follow these particular youthful games, SHS games, and you definitely understand and see. Say some of the core players are not part of the under 20 team. No, they pass through senior high school games.
Yeah.
Jonathan Mensah, Dominique Dia, all of these guys had to even the senior level of John Mensah, Sule Ali Mutarimuna, they had to pass through that particular level of playing senior high school
the
games.
2001 team.
Yes.
The 2001 team.
How essential it is for us to pay attention to such games, you know, are very important. You have no opportunity to move to some of the schools and some of the things that they are teaching the kids. Yeah. So when you see a catcher, the things it is not something that is simple, but you definitely believe that at their level, no, some of these things should be basic.
Yeah.
Because a bit me na broso, the timing, the runs, on receiving pass or angle bay, all of these things, you know, at that stage, you know, and I was it me implementing a lot of things to help say about woman plan do that stage, you know, and now fear be remote division 2, about division 1. Ever Premier League. I'm telling you, most of the Ghana Premier League players now don't wanna. Sometimes they don't even know which angle I'll pass the ball to. A lot of them don't even know. Then the answer say a talent. Me ball. Me joggo ball kakra. Me abo pass. Me abo shot. You be saying say o strength pan or me ball shot.
Technical.
No, technical. What be saying me strength pan say o see. You see, look at how the goal scoring rate of Ghana City here in Ghana Premier League. How are players need position themselves to shoot? Inside foot or outside foot. Bobby on my say. Should they be far ball and shot? Boom. What's the other me bookkeeper ne plan? So all of these things, you know, at this stage, you know, we investing a lot to teach the kids. And I'm so happy, sir. Most of your top coaches, you know, and as I say, almost I see the coaches of these particular senior high schools.
Yeah.
So the moment you invest in those coaches, you are indirectly investing in the kids. Now, sir, ya me. We are coming. Why I say one baby say 30,000 a year. These are things to help the growth of Enkula. The issue on be raised by any say Enkula ne ba almost say nyoma bubu nkunya omo de beketa for the course na watch. But the question I ask myself near say you the last time I issue BCS can be pay by. Scan pay by no. You say ade na bubu ye no it take more than 6 months. And son, you some more repair those particular damages. So I believe there's a lot of things to do in this particular.
But in AFCON, no, say Luta, the one says, and a Ben and Sisiaba, why we could support Kona Mama do gay, and he didn't come on. Now, young said in the Mike, Minjam Famana, yes, age man.
Mama do gay, African football legend, one bobo nibi, but our extensive knowledge, our experience are valuable. Me know me only a couple more the experience for African game na bro yedi so maybe apostle on any me name say mama do I ready and yen raising na yending common 90 say my already wo MC Hamon raising no Vazium ye kasa about various issues one say CAF president Patrice Motsepe abe kasa say one the AFCON schedule no masesano monsieur Mamadou was so monsieur Mamadou good afternoon good morning sorry. Welcome to Ghana. Oh, it's unfortunate. I'm struggling to get your audio, but the video is intact. Everything is correct. Okay, so let's rectify the audio and then we'll get back to you. So just hold on for us. Okay, so Abu, yes, sorty audio ne out na me bubu mu de ache nkoma ye pese ye di no related to one the AFCON schedule na asano. Originally na was saying ke ebo AFCON no Nyankopon ya do ma next year June July 2023 na ye see insu eto wa Ivory Coast no say ye gitum say ye kwa akobo tournament na ebe say because pitches ne say insu ne tosa continuous in team 2014 na mo tu akwa January and then February 2024. We are not the African Super League neighbor. Nyankopon ya adama August. CAF mpanyinfoɔ kɔ akɔbɔ ho dawuro wɔ Tanzania na ɔmo kɔ akɔ launch no ɔmo de nneɛma bebree bɛtoto n'akwan mu kwan bɛn na clubs bɛ qualify akɔbɔ ana afei so din bɛn kora na yɛde to so yɛate African Super League ɛno ana yɛde to so anaasɛ ɔmo de din foforɔ ɛnso de bɛma no ɛba what happens to now the CAF Champions League and the Confederation Cup ɛkɔ akɔ sɛ Europe deɛ na yɛwɔ the Champions League yɛwɔ the Europa League yɛwɔ the Conference League ne bi anaa hyehyɛ ne te sɛn nti ne nyinaa no CAF bɛ take saa decision in Nuggets na ɔno ne CAF mpanyinfoɔ no nenam wɔn da sɔre yɛ biribi wɔn tutu akwan kɔ baby into no ba betray mu say what went into the planning process in terms of how our CAF decided say impo prize money or they to African Super League in so $100 million then ampeni 14 aso almost say every member association will be $1 million enti GFA Nyankopon ya adomo a yes start African Super League na as part of the process GFA Super also better oje dia ede $1 million no and also ba African football name and sorry respective member associations no we no free wa omo kasa about emma football and then even the near the home come inter schools ne de no and see enya mama dugea then we'll have that conversation and know where we want to take it. It is about African football and it needs to get better.
Mate ti yebere yenya na pebe corner fi Mike ne din komo but apostle ne komia be hwe ya mame nanopi yewie but yewie minim say o kakri bi ade be so ananka mabisa ade we na
the issue about say you pay for the stadium for free SHS almost say niema for me it's neither here nor there. The point is that stadium no yan idea. It's for the state. Yeah. What is the ministry's and government contribution in relation to this? I've just told you that this year, African Inter-Schools Club competition for the first time, Pan-African, for the first time. It means that the Ministry of Education, GES, and then also Ministry of Youth and Sport, and the Ghana Football Association should put their heads together and make sure, say, this year air core competition, a bit different from near Tribunal. Because of the big opportunity that CAF is presenting to us. Yeah. And Tiabasa na titi o man tuya we na tiab des debia and semnuya na yetransa. When are we going to put a stop to it? We have to this is the maiden edition of this competition. Yeah. And so this second cycle competition is totally different from what has happened in the past. Opportunities are we no Sompa. What is the Ministry of Youth and Sport doing about this? So 30,000. I mean, on my Nankasa Sebiu. Ye near ni duasi and say you need to do papa be a fire ball. There's no vision, there's no direction. And so if there is, you realize that idea a bare hindrance should not be 30,000 Ghana cedis. So I think Colano say facilities. Let's make sure that we provide reasonable security there to make sure that Colano has always school. So bro once a discipline. Some of the kids could hear rough. I see a chomo. Some of them, if you have to whip them, we do. Some, if you have to make sure, say, or more, and different from punishment. Maybe a school, we are suspended or more. Maybe a 1 year. Be what do I say? Send a subsequent level serve as the deterrent. But and should not prevent us from the major objective of these boys. A big opportunity come only for training. A big clubs are called because opportunity has now availed itself to this competition. Our mind Nankasa players eco develop our mind now because of 30,000 in Konya be a best saying, come on, what kind of a country are we? How do we think?
But the apostle, Sempafo. And I Dr. Nyanya Tamakro. Now, apostle, I say we are Anwedin, my main king Kancho, a board member of Accra to Folk, Dr. Nyonyo Tamakro. When I talk of indiscipline at the camp of Artifolk, people always argue with me. But these players have been drinking before mad day games. And that is the reason for our failure. Wow. But I don't know, one can say, Shisha, say, you say, mad day, before mad day. Amoko twim kakra no mabo e kan bi na ma no result no enye mfama ha to folk theater folk dance for afini ni nyina na e hyehye ne no.
I don't know the also within Accra folk board and the management. They don't even have a management board. Mentia said the statement about the last few days, especially from Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo, it's not so right to help the situation at club the women say. In terms of indiscipline, maybe one way or the other from Asemna Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo care about a class of folk players in a day. But yes, sure, some of what better say before games. Player and Koshi BB and our player and there's some of what I know and the coach Hamza I know, especially in a club where we also have our Muslim brothers also within the team.
We no team you, it's not like say ever the big why it's no be a fear but be a feel every hour now be for me be a good be any over for me be a share but all charity proud to be a mad day players no echo ye niema so and no coach you so be who no chess or no he said you no
then Abu ahanya bebem say then one when the monitor club no baby on back the hotel their preparations before games who is in control of it. If it is not even the board, Nipa Chrono will always have to report to the board the kind of things House of Folk players no. Eye monitor mo the report man san mo atna say a conclude say match na we are fully prepared, our mentality, everything is just on point and we are going to win the game. If Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo is talking about some of these things, it means somebody is not doing his work well and they have to check that particular person too. How come no is it from the report? The frustration now about class of folk, they should be very careful. They should be very, very careful. You see, the indiscipline that we are talking about, we can talk about the players aspect, which is a miminimbi between some of the players and the coach. I know some of the players, and it's Omumu coach, no. Sir. Omumu coach, no. Ebi muji 2 years pay age. Ebi one man the football age in a say bia or 30 and 31. But realistically, what's not no coach Samobodo? Because Samobodo is 36 years. What's not so to me as a coach will grad and say, oh, Mimi Akra, do all of this. It isn't happening. It is happening. But say Obi Kochi Bibi and Obi Kwakwayai. These are the reasons why we are telling a class of folks say, board the Yana Juma there, but let structures work in the club. I've always said this. Every single corporate entity, your top level management, your middle level management, your lower level management. Until you set proper structures, how our obesity manages situations in terms of crisis, and a lot of things within the club, no, a back and forth, sir. Obia piano cardio fees up. This is something that is concerned with the PR of the club. The club is looking for sponsors. Club never go Africa or expect to be best support you. The PR or not PR bontis is sent from someone who is within the club and you're very poor and bad. And they say the PR bontia club ne breso menye skadia kwa ebibia. Why not be blame no? Who are you going to blame? Say coach in the crown. How do you expect in Pennyford to take the coach for? Because also can be no atna say na players no yes because ultimately monitor their daily lives. At least of flow because on satisfies around to make sure that the players are doing what they are supposed to do. I think Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo is going overboard for House of Folk. And there are some things that he needs to be called to order. And him go say and fair say time. For a big club like Accra to folk, not penny move. In one, even if it is happening, I'm using a conditional clause. Even if it is happening, is it appropriate at this time of the season? So this as a move to Abonte, Abra unim Akambi, Abra unim Togbe, Abra unim Coach Samobodu, Abra unim Coach Hamza. So in players now involved now, you call them, you sit down, you call those players involved, you settle the case within. A place no muntiminya mujo mo kwan no mo because M1 club no. So why come out and say it at this particular time? There are skirmishes to disgrace some people in Accra of Folk. There are plots to disgrace even some of the coaches in Accra of Folk. And Kasatuche be a lot of things. Me am tell me say some of what you say. Edrum maybe on your House of Folk akobe resign. Ko Samobodu on your House of Folk akobe resign. What I was even praying for, they say oh no kebi a team na nkopesa nkoko coach o ba bi na oni omudidi nkomo no kan saka contract na kemza nkone House of Folk eja dwuma di credit dada. It is bad.
Mate meza amesa baba mamenko na Mike ndi nkomo no na ye hwesere nema ti give our man of man
shootout Monsieur Mamadou, good morning once again. Welcome to Sompa FM, Sompa TV in Ghana.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yeah, it's afternoon over there. I trust you are well. It's been a while.
Yes. Everything is fine. Thanks to God.
All right, we thank God. So, during the weekend, we heard news of CAF communicating several decisions they had taken concerning African football. First of all, let's start with the African Cup of Nations 2023 was set to be staged in Ivory Coast. That was next year, June, July. But CAF has postponed it further to January, February 2024. From your view, in terms of what this means for Ivory Coast, the impact and everything, I want you to assess it for us. How is it going to affect Ivory Coast in terms of how they plan for the AFCON?
Look, this is a decision that was taken a few months ago. I think CAF was just looking for the right moment and opportunity to announce it. As you know that the hard COVID lockdown for 6 months affected the construction of infrastructure in Ivory Coast, and there was no way that Côte d'Ivoire could be ready in June, July 2023. 100%. Then CAF sent a couple of teams to Ivory Coast to assess the progress of the construction, the building, and everything. But there is a lot of politics involved in this thing. It was difficult for CAF to just come out and say that Côte d'Ivoire will not be ready. Then the decision was taken to just postpone it. And obviously, the recent raining season that created havoc in Ivory Coast, where a couple of people even died, I think speed up the decision, which to me makes sense, because it's very difficult to play in Sub-Saharan Africa in June and July. We could see that in the case of Cameroon, from June and July, it was moved to January and February. And I think for most Ivorian, this is a good thing, because it's difficult even to travel by road during that period because of the heavy rain. It's even difficult to conduct business under the rain. Everybody knows that. And I think that this is very much welcome by the majority of Ivorian.
So in your view, this means it's kind of good news for Ivory Coast, politically, in terms of everything that entails as regards organizing the Africa Cup of Nations. It will give them more time to prepare, and then they will also have a good weather to host the rest of Africa.
Definitely, it gives the government more time to complete what they are doing. Most of the stadium are ready, but you need to open up a road leading to the stadium, and also people, supporters will be doing a lot of traveling in the countries. Those roads also need to be in good shape, and the hotels and everything. For the government, I think it's a good thing. And for the Ivorian people, it's just like Ghana. Nobody trade under the rain. It's difficult. When it's raining, you don't see anyone in the street, because everybody try to look for a shelter. But now that it will be in the dry season, I think business will flourish. The supporters that will come will enjoy better the country. And I think it's a win-win situation for CAF and for the Ivorian people and for Africa in general.
But this is becoming quite consistent with CAF always moving AFCON dates, and it has an impact on the calendar for African football, for global football. In recent past, we've had coaches like Jürgen Klopp come out to complain about how this affects his team preparation and everything in terms of their plan for the season. Don't you think we need to find a solution that will finally put to bed issues like these concerning the AFCON and when we are supposed to actually host it?
I think the solution will be the kind of flexibility we can see. Let's say if the AFCON is going to be hosted by a country from North Africa or Southern Africa, yes, we can play in June, July, like we did in 2019 in Egypt. But if it's, for example, in West Africa, it makes sense to play in January, February. Even FIFA has given an example. Look at the World Cup in Qatar. We never played any World Cup in November, December. But because of the harsh condition in June and July, FIFA decided to host the World Cup in Qatar in November and December. I think that should be the norm according to the country, to the climate. I think everybody will need to adjust. Now, when you talk of preparation, it will always be the same. Any official tournament, I think the requirement from FIFA is for any club in the world to release the players 2 weeks before schedule. Then everybody will have to comply with that. Doesn't matter is in June, July, or in January, February, or in the case of the World Cup in Qatar in November, December. I think each and every club will have to comply.
Well, let's move away from that to another announcement made by the CAF president, and that is the CAF Super League. It is actually a tournament that will be novel. We haven't witnessed it before on the continent. A prize money of around $100 million and all that. Looks so good on paper. In actuality, how do you think this impacts on the other African competitions that we have vis-a-vis, that is the CAF Champions League and then also the CAF Confederation Cup? How do we go about it? First of all, how do you see the CAF Super League, first of all?
Look, I think that this was the idea of Gianni Infantino. It failed in Europe, but Africa is always the testing ground. And don't forget that next year we will have a FIFA election. These are just and Infantino was in Morocco when election campaign to excite the people with big numbers, but the fact is nobody have the details. They could not explain to the media, to the football stakeholders about the detail. They just announce big numbers. It's fine, but we need the
All right, so I think that we're having network issues. Yenya network issues kakranti. Ye hwe ne asortina badani o kana ejina say CAF Super League na ba ne yenim ho hwe. It's a on
I think it's premature.
All right, no ka say yenim ho hwe. Chese omo aka bibia ye kensere kakranti. Nyankopon ya adom no August ne ba. Sika ne de omaka. But omo be chechire mu no de ono ankasa de ohu ne se FIFA president Gianni Infantino wono ano wo pese wo de saade we e de be Africa kon because omo ye so omo ye bi we Europe amfa enti omo de ba Africa e de Africa de ne ye be dia atum ye hu sika pe ne ye diri mika ne ye kwa akohia enti sa no ye be dia atum ne abo eno so be boa ma Infantino no wa popular e wa Africa continent e be boa am wetimi win the next elections as a politician and then nchechemu na odi etudwa menim say yensa kan e bi on dia okay apostle
look, he's right. First of all, sad decision and don't forget, it is very important we understand things in context. Patrice Motsepe became president because of Gianni Infantino.
Okay.
You see, what happened, Libya was supposed to hold a tournament at 2013 AFCON, South Africa. And a movie, because of some Tokwane Kosoba, South Africa. Oshepa, in a normal circumstance, this tournament have been moved somewhere else. Now they are another edition among them. But because Jack Anoma, as part of the strategic political arrangement for Patrice Moche Jack and no my person president Alansane Ouattara on say Cyril Ramaphosa is South African president no nadamfo pa Alansane Ouattara then the wife is the sister of Patrick Mochepe that political Niama Senegal on say Senghor was supposed to contest so that strategic map Infantino by Africa for 5 days and making sure say he met presidents of states to network the thing. So clearly, this particular decision, for instance, detail the CNN, nobody knows the detail. The baby of Infantino and Odiama Patrice Mochepe, me doba besia kunyaso. Me na me papa me si yewe mami unti me carry. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So like he said, is right. That is to test the water because as we look, test the, as you speak now, modalities, structure, which clubs will qualify. There is a 100 million. So they say, and he's doing that to make sure, say, also called the third term, to make sure we're winning the 54 votes in Africa. Yeah. So it is very, very complicated, but unfortunately some of this we are share it's part of us, and the politics attack can be about not attack about correspond. You are quite far so Infantino be president, Patrick Mochepe be president should tell you all my person contesting in Ahmed FC Nwadibo no one say or second vice. Yeah, you understand me? One say Senghor also or first vice. Senghor. That is how it was properly. Architecture was prepared to make sure say Patrice Beyenti do sana be your papa no asan your boni and even though say be billionaire we ensure and to assume say about your boss or ma akunya kese de nyonya bro there so san ye fin kakra and to be able to know
about tomate me say na mo happy birthday kwa farmer Rashid or 21st clinic or one chemo tema branch hono wo bodma Kevin 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 there's Kevin that bibiaje ye there
bibiaboko
ni amazu di da yi
nyameti ase di apostle
ba also wa ba no de mobaba tell me say ogo crowd
be fiezo
and then mobile fee
Kevin come here call crowd no man the man ya zera why wait you say mobaba
ti
mejime de ne
na mosianzo wo
guys shey there
oh bibia iboko
na cry so boko there
nyameti ase bibia
mate na ya ba na so yeni age se de kan wa ba be sai ba apostle so ko ankra
say ntina maba no
na chire be cancer
say maba no
Mate ibi shia wichiro
Mate ase
ati enemo fanche nyambo china de kubia e be makwan na wafe ere wadwenche na ba ti full time ye fan pemne hwe na ye nkona news at 12 no ewrem from 3 to 4 ye be bana shoot out no ewrem timira ma me diri Abu Dhabi me tram de ma me am boss Mr X na no club ne ze me frame Mr Y nya me tram be ni but bibinti ene de ma baba be tiremu ote apostle nka Michael Asaribodu tenenka na afi no akomia the sports Messiah and a bishop Prof Papa Pokunso no alternate producers no na you ekeka na ma this year.
I was not shocked. I'm always booed. Everywhere I go I'm booed. I like to be